restart that. What's good? What's good, everybody? Welcome back. It is Monday, my boys. It is Monday, and it is a weird day. Is it just me? Maybe it's just me. It's raining here. It hasn't rained in, like, honestly, a month, 2 months. It went from 20 degrees. Now it's 60 degrees because the rain must be from, like, the south warming things up. I don't know if that's it. Like, I woke up and it was dark. And it's like the sun goes down at 3 p.m. anyway. So it's like we got no sun today. I don't know. I woke up late. That's why we're live. Late, whatever. Went to the gym, got a crap lift, came home. I don't know. Everything just feels weird today. Are you feeling that? Hopefully not. I hope you're having a better day than I am. Hopefully having a better day than I am. It's not a bad day, though. Let me say it's not bad. It's just weird. It's off. Either way, it's Monday. We're here. And we're jumping into the charts with the fam. Monday, horrible Monday, Mohammed. I'm sorry to hear that, dude. I'm sorry to hear that. We don't hope it's not terrible. It's just weird. It's something wrong. What's up, Julie? Got the gals here. Oh, we got the gals. We have the wonderful Julie here. Julie Brain Lady Anderson, OG of this channel. How you doing, Aguilo? Good to see you, brother. Blue Sky, Philip Klaus. Is it the bear market? I don't think so, bro. I mean, I don't think so. Let's see here. Let's take a peek. Give me a sec. All right, that's up. This is up. Let's take a peek. Let's answer that question together, and we can come up with it. What's up, Tillin? You don't like Mondays? I don't usually care about Mondays. As you know, my schedule is not really tied to Mondays so well, but just a weird day, bro. Crimson Chode, how you doing? Good to see you. Paulo Boyle, weird vibes for sure. Do you think it's chart related? It might be chart related. I have noticed that my emotions and just my general existence tied with the charts. Like, not necessarily it goes up, things are good, it goes down, things are bad, but like, I don't know. I get like anxious before like a breakout, even though I don't know the breakout's coming. I don't know. I'm tied with it. Just like we're tied to the moon and the stars, something like that. Let's look at the month. Let's look at the chart, actually, the month. We're going to start on the month. And we're going to try to answer that question for Klaus, for Philip. Is it the bear market? I'm going to start with, I don't think so, but we'll get into it. What's up, Foxy? Feeling meh? Exactly. Valdo, 70, man. Rainy here. Yeah, you're feeling me. You're feeling me. Mondays are go. Let's go, Nav, man. Yo, Crypto Capital Venture. Feeling gloomy. I'm not gloomy. It's not gloom. It's not negative. It's like cloudy. Yeah, just clouds, you know, just not as clear, not as sunny, not as bright, but not negative. It's just odd. Crypto Capital Venture here, my guy, another YouTuber, big Cardano fan. We'll have to check it out. We'll have to look at Cardano just for him. In fact, let me see. Can I go to the channel without ruining? There we go. Here we are. This man right here, Dan, great guy. Phenomenal guy, great YouTube channel. Loves ADA and Cardano. Very hot right now, Cardano. Very, very hot. Very in. Good to see you, brother. I love when other people pop in here. Love shouting them out. Give him for Christ. Good to see you, Tonzi. Working out, hell yeah. I hope you have a better lift than I did. I, like try to do biceps and just couldn't get the bump. Couldn't get shit. Feel like I'm spinning my wheels. What's up, Larry, Hero, Salim, Bass Cruton, Novocaine, Navman, Ghost, Crypto Sharknado, Good Looks Gaming. Actually, speaking of gaming, I'm getting off topic already. I just downloaded Path of Exile 2. I played the first one a long time ago. Loved it. Played the crap out of it. I hope to have a much more casual relationship with it this time. We'll see. We'll see. Just got it like yesterday or something. Let's take a look. So is it the bear market? Well, let's start here. We are in the final quarter of this year. This quarter, up 50%. Pretty good. Pretty good. Provided we don't crash down in the next 20 days and close under 71.2, I think that is a bad call. I would say probably not the right direction to look in. Is it bear market? What we could see is a strong close, a move back, correction in Q1 or after Q1, back test some of this previous resistance and continue higher. The bull run isn't just up. We have been in the bull run since November of 22. As soon as FTX, 3 Arrows, Celsius, BlockFi, I can't even name them all anymore, collapsed. That was the start of the bull run. That capitulation, that massive capitulative selling started the bull run. As you can see, it has not just been up. We have had strong growth months, and then into the summer, some bullshit 6 months, 7 months sideways, strong growth into Q4, Q1, bullshit sideways summer. Here we are, Q4. What do you think is going to happen next? I think we're going to have a strong growth in Q1 of next year, and then we're going to have a bullshit summer, and then into Q4, that will be the end. That will be when the bull run ends, or at least gives it back to the bears to run it for a little bit. We'll see. Maybe this time's different, but just going on what we've seen, probably a pretty good bet. Another quarter of green, followed by 2 quarters of bullshit, and then another quarter of green to wrap it off and send it, just full send it this cycle. Let's go into the month too. So the month, here we are. I don't know where this line came from. We'll get rid of this. Here we are. 96.4, 96.5. This is where the month opened. We have a very tall top wick, 104,000 US dollars, a bottom wick at $92,000. A little bit lower on other exchanges. This is Coinbase. We're going to use them for spot. Feels like a crazy move, right? But from 104,000 to our low of November, that's only 11%. 104,000 to 92,000 is only 11%. It is a change of $12,000, but it is hardly anything. Hardly anything. So where could we start looking, or maybe begin to have a bearish bias? Okay, well, maybe December. December close under 96.4. Not a great look. Strong top wick, smaller bottom wick, red candle close. That wouldn't be great. Maybe that lines us up for like a not so exciting January. Maybe we have to wait for February, March. I don't know. But above there, we're not even like close. We're still just painting green candles. We could very easily see, despite this month largely sideways at this point, we could very easily see a run up into the end of this month. There's only 22 days. When we run it up, we tend to run it up at the end of the year. Let's take a look. I have an idea too. What happened in the last December's? 23, a little bit. I'm curious if it was like the end of the year if we ran it up. And if that was true, certainly it was not true in 2021. That's for damn sure. I wonder, like in the last few days, I don't mean the whole month. I'll look at that after. Ooh, man, I just something to my knuckle. Does not feel good. How you doing? I need my BTC. Yo. What's up, Alchemist? Alexandra G, the beautiful Alexandra G's here. I'm very slowly answering the "Are we in a bear market?" question by Philip. Very, very slowly. So I guess that's where we'll start. 96.5. We close below there. For the month, things are looking a little, not quite as rosy. But we're still pretty far from that. We still have 22 days. Still have plenty of candle closes in between. Here we are on the week. Mind you, it is Monday. So what we are looking at here is weekly candles, followed by this red one. This is a daily candle. This is not a weekly candle. Not a weekly candle. This is just one day of trading. It'll be a weekly candle by the end of the week. What we see here on the weekly, though, is that price has moved relatively to the previous weekly opens and closes. We see this happen a lot. We saw it happen a ridiculous amount all throughout the summer. It was like just clockwork back and forth. By the end of the week, obviously, we want to see a close above 70 or 97 to 60. Let's remove that bearish engulf, right? Let's not allow that to happen. Let's defend it. Looking below, this is not a bad target. 96.4. I think I actually have a better one that I had before the stream. 96.4. Let me see something quick. I was going to place a trade. I was going to place it. Where was it? It was at 90. Oh, okay. I'm thinking of the Binance chart. That's why. I was like, it was at 97,000 flat. Okay, maybe it's right here. Maybe it's right here. I'm getting myself a little confused. There we go. Order block on the day. This is a gnarly daily candle down 4%, but here we go. I'm going to get rid of this for a second just to make this a little clearer. We have a green candle, an impulsive move up, a complete savage monthly high and low touch in one day, a bullish engulfing candle after that, which should have painted support. And we did see that support actually hold yesterday on Sunday. Today, trading lower. I think there is a trade. I think there is a actionable long right here, boys. Right here at this daily. Stop loss. Let's go. Right around there. Right around there. Let's see what the risk to reward is. Certainly, we could look for a scalp today. Just back to, I don't know, 98.7. I don't like that. Maybe that is a good trade, actually. Let's see. There's a few ways this could go. We could take it back to the high, 101. 101.7. 101.17. It's going to be really difficult to start saying 6-digit numbers. It's going to be real difficult. Okay. We take it back to 98. Our stop. We're going to have to bring this stop up, though, if we want to just scalp it. Let's say 0.7% downside versus 1.7. Nope, a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, 2.6 to 1. 1.72% gain back to 98.7. Our stop loss set just below 96.5. I kind of want to take this trade. I'll see as I zoom in. Being the quick in and out, I think we also have an ability or a possibility to move back to that 101 target. Hold up. I just got an alert. That's why I started paying attention to this. Okay, let's flip it. Let's put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it really quick. Hold on. All right, I like it. This is what I was looking at. I started a new chart for Monday, but this is what I was looking at over the weekend. So from 92 up to the next day's high at 1021, that would be the technical target for the longer trade there. Right here sits not just that order block, but our 0.5 retrace. I think that is a solid place in this uptrend to potentially look for a scalp position. I might regret that. We'll find out. We'll see as time goes on here. Our 618, just a little bit lower. There's a lot of kind of layered support here. And I even deleted one that was in between. Hold up. I think that was the monthly open, right? Nope. Weekly. Weekly. There it is. I even deleted one that's in between. I think basically the takeaway here is this is a big area of liquidity. We have vertical or horizontals from the daily, from the weekly, and the monthly time periods somewhere here. It starts at 97,000. It extends down to, I'll say, 95.7. That's not a huge range. That's really only a 1% range, right? 1.3%. That's actually pretty nice. That's maybe very actionable. For the more patient trader, I think we'll actually do it this way for the longer trade. More patient trade. More patient trader. Maybe looking for that full 618 at 95.7. The stop there is really just going to be an R to R. You're just going to pick an R to R and you're going to go with it. Maybe you want a 3. 3 would give you 94.2. Maybe you want a 4 or a 5. A 5 would get you like 90, just under 95. All solid. All solid. This would be a little bit more bottom fishing. The thing I don't like about this entry, though, is on the day, I would need to see this as a wick. I would need to see maybe even today sell down to 95.8, recover maybe V-shape over the next 2 or 3 days. I do not want to see it come down here and then close, right? Or even if it doesn't stop us out, I want to see the day come down here and close below that 618. That would not be bueno. What's up, 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 𝐲, my friend? Coinbase listing on the way for Turbo, says 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 𝐲. Is that facts? Is that big facts? We'll see. One thing that's concerning to me, but I'm going to need to see this daily. We'll check out Turbo. Just let me finish this. I'm going to need to see today's get that bounce, hopefully from 97,000. A reason sitting here, Market Cipher B showing us momentum here. Money flow still strong. VWAP pulling down on the chart here. A little downward pressure, but momentum with this red dot. Now, this doesn't have to be confirmed. A bounce today, I don't know how far it would need to go back up, but even just a kind of mid bounce will likely remove that. And the reason I think that's important at this moment is because the week, again, same as the day, unconfirmed. I noticed this earlier. Unconfirmed, red dot on the day and week. So because the weekly candle right now is just today's price action, we could see the bounce on the day, eliminate that as well, and really just continue that uptrend again. This is the important part. This is the important price on the chart. Let's see something. Those are some ugly candles, though, man. Those are some ugly candles. Let's see. Look at these 4 hours. Yeesh. Bearish order block. Lower high. It's just trading sideways. Lower high. Bearish order block underneath previous support. Lower low. Woo. Ooh, Nelly. Where are we going? I still think we get a bounce here. If it's not 97, man, I don't know what it's going to be. I think it's 97. Okay, we're going to get into other stuff. So is it the bear market? That's how I started this. I don't believe so. Will there be a bear market? I do believe so. Is it here now? I don't think so. Will it be here soon? I also don't think so. I don't think so. We'll see. 4 minutes to close. Please just close here. Please close this up. Come on, bulls. Hold it. Hold it, bullas. Hold it, bullas. There we go. It is. Damn, pushing down on that. All right. Well, while the short term right this second looks pretty bad, I'm going to really wait until we see this hourly change. I'm praying for a bounce here. This is the area to hold. We do have a little bit more kind of leeway, a little more ground below us that we can lose before we're looking at a larger move to the downside. But we're going to have to see this bounce. I'd prefer it to be into this hourly close. I want to close above 97. That's going to put this scalp in great condition. Let's see if that take profit's right. Yeah, good enough. And that's 3 minutes to go. These candles do look ugly. Is what it is. All right. I'm going to watch this. I'm going to get back to the chat here. Sorry for ignoring you guys. I wasn't ignoring you. How are your days going? Let's see. 340 votes. 47% totally normal day. I'm glad to hear it. I'm glad to hear you're having a normal day. Like I said at the beginning, it's not like a bad, terrible day. It's not a rotten, no good, very bad, whatever that children's book is kind of day. Just weird. I don't know. Something just feels off about it. Doesn't feel real, someone said. I liked that. What's up, 12 Big Dal? What's up, man? How's it going? Farmers Unite. Are you a farmer, my friend? Let's go, farmers. Satish, hello from India, my friend. Magnus Larson, good to see you. What's up, Seth Shepard? You have spicy tacos in the crock pot. Okay. All right, well, you're having a great day. What's up, Darren Wilkes? Another relentless day. Let's get it. Absolutely. We're sitting here, guys. We're going to look at turbo for supercar. We're sitting here, though, 2 minutes and 40 seconds, waiting for this hourly to close. Just wishing, hoping, waiting for this to close above 97,000. And then I'm looking for a bounce back to 98,750. We'll know very soon. I think a close above 97 is going to be a very good sign for that. Close below might be suggesting a little bit lower down to this 96 area. Losing that, man, things do get ugly. They get ugly again. Not end of the world ugly, but certainly not exciting, fun, up only kind of price action. Not a lot underneath 95, really, until you get down to that 92K wick. There's very little support. Very little support underneath this zone. Luckily, there is a lot of support right here. So we're going to find out in 1 minute, 55 seconds what's good. Tonzi wants to look at total. We'll absolutely look at total. Don't even worry. Little tunes. Yeah. We'll get some tunes on. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. A good one. What's up, Iron Man 3000? My friend, welcome. I know that there's been other subscribers because this number has rolled over. There you go. But it's not showing me. It's not bringing them up. YouTube, no copyright. Dubstep mix. I'm in a dubsteppy mood. Let's get this day back into the right zone. No copyright sounds the best dubstep mix of 2024. Something tells me that won't be the best dubstep mix of 24, but we'll see. Let me see. Watch your speakers. It shouldn't be too loud. A little loud. Hold up. That's right, boys. Keep subscribing. Keep it going. Keep that number rolling over. Good to have new fam members even on this stranger day. Let's turn this up a little bit. All right, I will give this. I'll give this mix a little bit. I'll give it a shot. If it gets annoying, we'll turn it off. What's up? 11993260. Great name, my friend. Taja blah blah. Mobo Toe. What's up, brother? I did miss somebody while I was doing my intro. What's up? The alert box is back there. Change this. There we go. 𝐂𝐐𝐵𝐍. There we go. Hourly close will update you in a second. Also Visionary. I don't know. That's a hard name. Mark Elliott also subscribe. Welcome, boys. We got the hourly close here. We're about to assess the damage. We're going to jump into some altcoins. Keep liking and subscribing. We got 1,200 viewers now. What's good? Welcome. What's up, BMX? Cho, Dave Kane, 𝐂𝐴𝐺. Let me guess. Did Casper just end his stream? Welcome, Casper crew. Love that man. Great man. Louder, man. Nah, not louder. What's up, little fox? 6 cigarettes. 6 weeks, no cigarettes. Seth, hell yeah, bro. I'm on day 16, no nicotine. I quit vaping. I did the impossible. I didn't quit vaping. I escaped nicotine. That's what I did. I'm going to write a book on it. 1,100 people in chat. Must not have fingers, not enough likes. Thanks, man. To put the vape down and hit the charts, Turd Ferguson. Guess what, bro? I haven't touched the vape. It's been over 2 weeks. So I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear it. Cold turkey, baby. That's right. More weed, less cigs. Yeah, but don't swap addictions. You know what I mean? That's not how you quit. You don't get away from an addiction by replacing it. Story for another time. Bad Fox, there you are. How you doing, darling? Good to see you, Bad Fox. We got a lot of ladies here. Bitcoin going down, pool man. I missed our analysis here. Probably. We had a bunch of people just join. Good to have everyone. Make sure you subscribe and like and join the Discord. I'm looking for a bounce here. Now, the chart does not look good. The chart is not in the best condition. I am not getting the signals that I want to see here. If you missed the intro, it's time stamped. There's a lot of analysis. But here's the gist for those of you just tuning in. Let's zoom out to the day really fast. Sorry to rehash those who have been here. On the day, I know there is a lot here to look at, but we are currently at 97,000. This is the daily order block. This was a bullish fair value gap painted earlier this month. We went on to new all-time highs. This is a logical place to look for liquidity. This is a logical place to look for support. Unfortunately, we are trading a little lower here. I don't love that. It's not what I was hoping for, but the day is really not the whole story. Our weekly order block also here. Right there, 97.2. We have so many levels just overlapped on each other. And in fact, as price is reaching down right now, boys, this is the final one. This is what we're looking for. This is what we went over in the beginning. We made a trade thesis, we planned it out, we placed it live, and it might be happening right now. Why? I took away my mouse pad, now I can't get like really delicate movements. There we go. Oh my goodness. 96.5, there it is. That's the monthly open. So as you can just see, as I just told you, we have monthly right here, 96.5. Above that is the daily, within a 1% move, and above that is the weekly level. This is all the liquidity on the chart. This is the level. If we lose this level, we got nothing. There is very little below us until probably the wick in December 5th, 92K. I don't think we're going below there. In fact, I think we are moving to a new all-time high much quicker than we are going to move underneath 92,000. That's my opinion. But we got very little. You can see this is all just wicks. The kind of bigger problem is you lose 92 and you're looking for a bigger retracement down. I don't think that's in the books yet. In fact, this might all still be going according to the plan, which is all right. This is the level. This is it. Add a little more confluence in there because you always need more confluence. Right here, 97,000. Also, the 0.5 retrace. Bullish 5.0. If we bounce from here, a very bullish level to look for a bounce or a reversal if it comes. What else have we got? 20 daily. Are you joking? Are you joking? 20 daily right here as well. Spot on. Bang. How much confluence do we need? Too much confluence. It's too much. Look at that. Boom. Right here. We're at the 20 day, right where we were looking to take along. And if we're at the 20 day, you know that means something else. We're right at the middle of the Bollinger Band. Right here, baby. We have tapped to the top. We have reversed from the high band. What do we see now? The band's getting thinner, building up power, building up momentum to unleash the volatility. I'm thinking to the upside. You can see each time price has tested this moving average, it's moved higher. It has bounced. Buyers have come in. You can make the argument that that has weakened it, and you'd be correct. It's weakened each time it's tested, but it's holding for now, at least still, and we could not need it at a better spot, man. Right here. This is it. In fact, the Bollinger Band is maybe telling us the whole story. We lose the 20, what do? We look for the bottom of the band. Where's the bottom of the band? Around that 92K wick. There is very little, if any, support below this level, like significantly below this level, until you get to lower numbers. That is why I believe it reverses here. That's why I put the trade, the long. That's why I think we're moving back up into this week. One more really quick note. I'm going to get back to the chat here. Did you guys notice something? So what day did we have that crazy whipsaw move? It was a Thursday, yes. But what day was it? Take a second. Still got my gym stuff on. What day was it? Think about it. The answer's in front of you on the screen, but I'm trying to let your brains wake up, do a little processing here. What is it? It's the 5th. It's the 5th. What have we seen on the 5th? What have we seen on the 5th? All right, this one was the 4th, but I promise this will make sense. Follow me. November 4th, November 5th. What did we see? Okay, not done, not done. Where is this here? Where is this here? Back to September. Yes, this is the 6th. That's okay. We're like within a day, right? The 4th, the 5th, the 6th. What happened on the 6th of September? Let's go back one more. What happened right here? August 5th. August, September. We are very consistently seeing the lows of the month come in on the 5th. Very consistently. What do we have right here? This month, December 5th. What do we got, boys? There you go. I think we hold 97,000 here. I think we retest the hundreds. New all-time highs, I still think are in the very short-term future. I don't mean today, maybe. When I say very short-term future, I mean that within the month. Within next month, you know, we're talking very, very short-term. So let's actually take a peek here at our projection. Let's see if we've broken it. Let's see if it's still good. Is it useful? Is it valuable? Or should we throw it away? I'm going to make a poll. I haven't forgotten about Turbo. No, it's invalidated. Throw it away. Sorry. All right. Here we go. Let's take a peek. I'm putting up a poll. I want your answer. I want your opinions. Show me the results. I always add that now because it gives people something to like click and not ruin the data if they don't have an opinion. I don't know why I'm on the 2-day. That's okay though. It doesn't really matter. This is the projection that we came up with, that we spotted on the chart all the way back in November. So far, what do you think? I don't know why the poll didn't start. What do you think? It was never on the 2-day. Let's bring it down to the 1-day. Though the 2-day doesn't look that bad. Maybe we'll look at these time frames soon. They're kind of spicy. Here we are. What do you think? Here's how I see it. This is on Binance. So Binance's wick is lower than November, Tuesday, November 26th low. This isn't there on Coinbase. This is the only kind of question mark. On Coinbase, this is a higher low. It still fits the pattern well. Binance, it's a lower low, which I would say invalidates it. We could just redo this on Coinbase. It wouldn't be there. It'd look fine. Here's what I want you to do. Use your imaginations now. How close to this do you think current price action is? Mind you, this had directed the first 100K break would be December 4th, December 5th. And on that 100K break, it said we weren't going straight up. We weren't going to the moon instantly on that break. In fact, we were going to reject from 100 based on this, and we would see a higher low. That higher low would bring us roughly back there, and it would be a kind of a slow crawl into what, the second week of December. Second week into the end of December, looking for those highs into the 120, 130 zone, a sell-off into mid-January, and then I'd say recovery rally into March. What do you think? How close are we? I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to do a little bit of aid here. A little bit of aid. Not a lot of aid. Here we are. I would not usually do this, but because this isn't there on Coinbase, and Coinbase is the spot market, there, does that change your opinion, right? This would still be a little lower. Still, let's give it a little more. There you go. There we go. What do you think? I need your votes. I need your polls. 155 votes. 67% saying it's fire, but you don't need to lie to me, boys. If it's not fire, it's not fire. It's okay. Valid or invalid? What's very spicy is today's sell-off right here. What's up, my boy? My man. The man. The Casper, the GOAT. Casper, check this shit out, though. Check this out. I don't know if you just popped in, because I do that. I pop in, I leave. Check this out. Tell me, Casper. Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Tell me, brother. I want to know your opinion specifically. We've nailed this. It's like November 20th. November 22nd. We put this on here. What do you think? And I don't even mean the future projection. I mean, is this the price action we're seeing? What do you think? Certainly could put today's candle in perspective. Feels bad, looks bad, but we're at 97. We're at support. We're at the most important value really that exists until, you have nothing until 92. You throw this on, you look at it, where are we? We're at the bottom of the channel. We're totally in play. And what happens next? We have another higher low. And we move up into December. What do you think, brother? What do you think? By the way, Jason Casper, the man, the myth, the legend, the GOAT, here in chat. Valid if we hold 95? Fair. Yeah, I think it's valid if we hold right here. I would even say it invalid earlier. But I think you're spot on. Originally, I had said I'll say this is valid unless we break 91. Unless we break this low, November 26th. So Binance broke it, but of course, like every other exchange, Coinbase didn't break it. So I think that's still valid. I'm going by Coinbase. I always go by Coinbase, but I think this is fresh. I think it's good. Jason Casper said it's good. By the way, guys, this man, follow this man if you don't know him. I mean, who am I joking? Of course you guys know Jason Casper. Jason Casper, we do similar great content. Of course, we have different takes, different strategies, different styles. But this man is an amazing streamer. He's real. He's just like our channel. Our channels are probably the most similar channels on YouTube in the sense of we make trading content. We don't LARP. We show you what we do. We do it live. We don't chill. We're not trying to siphon money from you guys via rug pulls, scams, whatever. There are very few people out there doing it like Jason. He deserves all the props, my friends. All the props. Love that guy. Here we go. So this is the low time frame. Looking for 97 to hold, and it is looking uglier. It is looking uglier, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. Let me see it. Oof. I ran out of energy drink. That's not good. Crap. Hold up. I got an alert set. Oh, let's see. Nada. Okay. What's he gonna do? We're gonna look at Turbo. I know it was requested a long time ago. Before we get into it, what's good? What's up, Sergio, Bob Saget? Who else is here? Who else is here on this Monday? 420 Bud Monsters here. Brant Moore, what's up, brother? Alchemist, still here. My guy, Eamon. How you doing? Shout out Blue Mountain Fire. Shout out Blue Sky. Shout out Bob Saget. Shout out Brendan. Shout out Bryant Svensson. Shout out Brianna Coffee. What's up, Brianna Coffee? You have a great name, Brianna Coffee. Shout out Bryony Byrony. What's up, Cashflow Creator? Shout out CBK Wahoo. Shout out Coden. Shout out Crypto Ace 33. Shout out Crypto Stevo. Shout out Cyrus. Shout out David Brum. Shout out David R. Shout out to Lean Lee. Shout out to Erin. Shout out Philin. Funny Moment. Shout out Georgetown Felix. Shout out Giving for Christ. Still here from the beginning, my guy. Absolutely. Chad status there. Here for the whole stream. Ooh, that did not look good. Dude, when these tabs get small enough, you can't move them. This is like one of my biggest peeves now. Why can't I? There it is. Shout out Hazam. What's up, man? HFG. How you doing? Jason Casper still in the chat. Keeping it spicy, my friends. Jessica. Jesse. How you doing, Jessica? Lots of ladies. We got all the ladies today. I ain't complaining. What's up, John Shuma? Josh. Labby. What's up, bro? Andrew. Belair. I see you. A man. Big Short. Crypto Capital Venture. He's back. What are you looking at? We have to look at Cardano for you. That's the rules. We'll look at Cardano after Turbo. Who else is here? Who else is here? Let me know you're here. Let me know you're here by putting a message in the chat, by subscribing, liking, joining the Discord, checking out the links in the video description below, signing up, supporting the stream. What's up, Christoph DN, Crunk, Quicker, Lane, Lars, Leon, loading name, Mr. Stone. How you doing, Stone? Mark Elliott. Shout out Marksy. Shout out Massey 33. Shout out Matthew. How you doing? Mep Haradis. Mikkel Student. Mr. Ethereum. Shout out to you. Nicholas. Omar. Paul Wood. Prime. Shout out Crypto. Shout out Quality Crypto. Shout out Randy Greer. Shout out Richard. Jeez, there's a lot of names. Shout out Robert Smith. Rockstar Cola. Dude, we got all the boys. Sin, Stress, Stevo, Splash Fire, Shep. How you doing, Shep? Good to see you, bro. She hates lemon. Weird. But I guess she hates lemon. Shane, how you doing? Stall, Sergio Sadish, Sammy, Roro Crypto, Rohan. Dude, we got so many names. Where was everyone? You're all here. Quality Crypto, Psychedelic Cosmology, Robert Fisher, Robert Smith, Stress, Crimson Chode still here. Perfect Organism, The Rob Side, This Place Called Earth, Tom P, great name, my friend. Tonzi, Vibo, Turd, Ferguson, Warren G, Wassam, Wine Drinker, XRP, Mafaka. What's up, Mafaka? Booyakasha. Just confused Ali G and J Rock, whatever. Zero Ducky, Zombie Ice, Boss Cruton. What's up, boys? Who did I miss? I didn't mean to miss you. Didn't mean to miss you. Coins check. This is like, we might have like this might be the best male-female ratio of a crypto stream in history. I missed the super chat. Please do, dog. Asks my boy, Crypto Capital Venture. I know I shouted him out, but there are new people here. My guy, great YouTuber as well. Dang, you got Casper. You got Casper and Crypto Capital Venture in the chat. My lord. Don't be fooled by the fake name. You're a dude. Doesn't matter. You can be whatever you want on the internet, right? You're going to look at Turbo. But I don't know. I think I have to look at Dog for our boy Dan. I think I got to. Turbo's still up. We haven't forgotten. It's not gone. Let's look at the Dog. I have some Dog. I bought it long ago. I bought this Dog coin. Let's see. Love Jeet. Let's go, baby. Longs Rock. How you doing? I'm doing great, my brother. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Let's look at Dog. The Dog. What's up, Junior Gerald? Vinit, Joseph Elliott. How you boys doing? Dog. Stopped us out. Sorry. Let's take a look at the month here. Take a look at the month. Have we hit a new all-time high this month? Ooh. I wonder if there's better data than 𝐂𝐴𝐷.io. Let's see. I know I just used it because I had it early. What's hard is it's hard to get not Doge. What's up, Quantum High Dub? How you doing, brother? Welcome to the fam. Welcome to the crew. Welcome to the stream. We are live here almost every day, but Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 p.m. East, guaranteed. We have a beautiful free trading course updated every 2 weeks. Check it out. Where is this history? Dog. No, it even says like Doge here on the description, but then dog on the ticker. This is very stressful. Oh, it's dog go to moon. That's why. Let's try �MEXC. Is this a better history? I wonder. I want to see if it broke all-time high in �MEXC. Okay, it did only because it didn't have the all-time high from June. What? May, June, July. May, June, July. Okay. Huh. Very different. I guess I'm going to stick here with Gate, right? Well, first things first. Whether we hit a new all-time high or not, we retested the all-time high. Let's go. That is a very bullish, great way to start. Last month closed below monthly resistance. This month with a higher high, obviously a higher low. Retesting that all-time high. Our fib tool already placed here. If dog takes a penny, it is likely to run 2.8 cents. Great place to look to lock in profit. I'm not saying all out. I'm not saying sell everything. But if you have bought at any time down here, especially August, September, down at the fractions of a penny, and you have taken no profit and you see this move happen, I would get your principal out. I'd get the principal out. Take the risk off the table and you can ride the rest to the moon. Now, there's no way to say it'll stop there. I don't even think it would stop there. It's just a great place to look to lock something in. Maybe a little reminder. If it continues higher, we look to the measured move target or our fib, our 2 fib extension up here. How does a 5-cent dog sound? Sounds very good. Sounds very, very good. I will personally place limit sells here for some of my dog. I'll still have 50%, I'd say, or more, even if it continues higher. But I'll look to take some off the table. I'll lock it in, get that moon bag. This is a great area versus just guessing any number. This is a great area of value to look to take a little profit. In an ideal world, you take a little profit. Maybe you retest that 1 cent before moving higher. Maybe you get to double dip back in. We'll find out as time goes on. But that monthly looking very good. Now let's get down to the week. And the week's looking very, very good. Let's go. Let's go. It might be time soon for the dog go to moon to dog go to moon. Might be. 1 cent and all-time high. Getting retested here. Let's zoom into these more local price action. Let's look at these weekly closes, the closest ones to price, where we saw resistance. There we go. 0075. Of course it is. If we do see continued selling, beautiful. If we do see continued selling into this week for dog, likely to find support 0075 right here. Right here. Weekly resistance came back, held support on this test into late November, moved higher. This would be a beautiful, beautiful place to look to enter a position. Let's see. Beautiful. There it is. There it is. That's really green. Hold up, boys. There it is. Down in here. Beautiful. Honestly, the original trade down here that it got stopped. This one looking really spot on. Really just absolutely spot on here. You can see Doge traded both these ways. There it is. Almost done here. Almost done. Down to the day. Yeah. If we're lucky, you know, if we're lucky. I think these patient moves are always the decision. They're always the smarter play. But man, I don't know. You've moved higher. You've retested all-time high. It looks like maybe you're just back testing these dailies here. You might just see the run. You might just see it. You might see it push. We'll find out. Damn, this chart looks great, man. I haven't looked at it in a while. I guess my alerts kind of failed me here. But thank you for the super chat, Dan. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. And I appreciate your channel. I appreciate you being in here saying hi. And I appreciate you being in dog with me. I don't have a ton. I got like maybe like $2,000 of this. $2,000 of it down here though. I don't know how much it's worth now. We'll see as time goes on. Dog looking good. I never looked at turbo for our dude. We will. Let me check back in on Corn and the chat. No. You're supposed to hold here, Bitcoin. You giant. Oh, you giant bitch. You giant bitch. Get back up there. Man, our size flat. No, I want this to hold. It really, so here's the jam. Bad. I don't want to see under 96. Don't want to see underneath there. Gotta hold that level. There's nothing else. However, when I say you have to hold it, it's not necessarily, it's not like it has to hold right this second. It doesn't have to be like this hour, this 5-minute candle. Really, by the end of the day, I want to see the end of the day above 97. I don't want to see it at all under 96, but by the end of the day above 97, that will be okay. It will show that that support held, that buys came in by the end of the day intraday and supported price back to support. So we have 3 hours to go. It's not like this 5-minute close is going to change anything really, unless we see it very deep. Very, very deep. That trade still could be alive, I think. What's up? V-Shock. How you doing, man? Trade with Red Hat. Automatic is live. How you doing, brother? Can we look at Gala? Sure. I'll pull up Gala. Might take me a little bit to get to it. We still haven't looked at Turbo. I'm not good at requests, man. I'm not good at requests. Ooh, I see why people are coming in. There's some big red candles here in the space. Whew. Whew. It's getting spicy today. It's actually getting spicy. Got 1,300 viewers. We started with like 500. Let's go. BNT. Am I a profitable trader? I has 3 pair. I mean, oh yeah. I mean, I win every trade, but over what, 8 years? Yeah, I'm up. I'm up, baby. Stop hunting. Don't go hunting. Wait for the deer to come to you. What's up, General Anesthetic? Please get back up there. I know, man. I know. I wanted to get back up there too. Gala. Taking the fast pass, man. Oh. Taking the fast pass down. You can see it. I don't even know when I drew this. Looking for more of a bleed off. I don't know. Gala might be beelining it for 4 cents. What's up, Lewis Angel? Mr. Days. How you doing, brother? John Swole, your dog entry is 033. That's a great entry, bro. Where did I enter? I don't remember. That's probably better than mine, though. Well played. I probably entered right here, like 005. Corn being a bitch, but really, dude, not actually moving. Look at some of these alts getting ripped. And what is Bitcoin even down for the day? Like 5%? That's not nothing. 4.5%. It's not nothing. But like that Gala chart. Opened up Gala, it's like, who murdered this? Interesting. Turbo is actually up today. We will look at that. What is bullish about? Man, I can't keep up with the chat right now. Flush it, reset greed. Is 1% per day on day trading impossible in the long term? Yes, Pedro News. Mathematically impossible, my friend. Functionally impossible, but like mathematically also impossible. Turbo hitting retesting an all-time high. Interesting. While the rest of the market taking some red. This might be a more interesting chart than I thought. Mr. Jake the Snake, be careful, guys. You guess daily candle needs to close above 99. Honestly, I'll take 97. 97's fine with me. Coinbase listing for Turbo. That's what someone said. That's what whoever super chatted for it said. I tend not to believe those people. It was 36 minutes ago. R Supercar P. I tend not to believe them because, I don't know, people come in here all the time and say kind of wild stuff. So I prefer a source. Who the hell is selling, Aaron? It's a good question, bro. Good question. Bitcoin. Ooh, here we are. Here we are. Maybe we stay on the corn. This long. In danger here. 96.5. In danger, bro. Great 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍. Content man. Keep it up. Thank you. I don't know what 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍 is, but I appreciate it. Everything will be all right. Good to have you, brother. Coinbase confirmed. Tweeted. Okay. Well, that would be confirming for me, but I have not seen it. You know what I mean? Like, because anybody could just say that. You could just say Coinbase confirmed it. It's a good source. It's a good source. I appreciate you. Let me see. I'll just pull it up. There's no point of dicking around with it. Adjust your thermostat. Stay frosty. Let me see. Coinbase, you have a weird Twitter. Coinbase rewards, learning. Ooh, new Coinbase rewards. Nice. Nice. I like Coinbase rewards. It's like the only actual free crypto in crypto. Anyone else who is offering you free crypto is scamming you. Is scamming you. But Coinbase in their earn thing is like legitimate. You only get a few bucks. But hey, if you got a Coinbase account, might as well do it. I'm still not seeing this. Where did you guys see this? Where was this confirmed? Turbo. Where was this confirmed on Coinbase? I literally just pulled up their Twitter and I don't see it. Turbo? Literally not, I guess not confirmed. Here we go. Our long not stopped out yet. Holding on for dear life. They really just asked if you're a profitable trader. I mean, Kevin, you know, I'm live here. I've been live almost 6 years on YouTube. All my receipts are public, friends. And it's okay. New people come in. Those are questions they should ask. However, they're questions they ask that, what answer are they ever going to get? Are they ever going to tune into someone live streaming and like them be like, no, I'm a shit trader, bro. Don't follow me. Don't like this. Do you know what I mean? Like, you ask that question and people are just going to lie. They're just going to lie to you, right? Trading is so full of LARPing gurus. There have been some of the very few non-LARPing traders in this chat. They've already been here today. There's been a few. But yeah, man, you ask that question, people are just going to say yes because they want you to follow them. They want you to give them your money. You know, it's a loaded question. Gala is dead. We'll look at Gala. I don't think it's dead. I'm probably not looking to buy any, but I don't know if it's dead, man. Very true, my guy. Exactly. Exactly. I got the receipts, though. You know, like, I can say yes, but I have almost 6 years of live streams, live trades talking about it. You can go back and check, right? Literally, it's all public. Here we go. Corn maybe making good on this long. We'll see. Snake oil salesmen, they're everywhere, bro. XRP, we can look at XRP. Litecoin ADA. I never looked at Cardano for our man. He wanted to look at DA. DA go to moon instead. I think I have this chart up. Let's just really quickly glance through a lot of these. Let's glance through a lot of these charts to get them out of the way. Gala. Big old red candle here. What do we got? 13% on the day. 4 cents. 4 cents. Great entry if it comes. This was tested as resistance, not as support. I can see that. I placed an alert. Really, it's just doing a little retracing, but we are not going to go super in depth with it. TRX. Somebody was like, how do I enter TRX now on the last stream? And I said, dude, I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't do it. Not a good idea. Don't do it. But 31 cents was the all-time high on many exchanges. I said, out of just any of these random numbers, I think that's a higher probability of bouncing. But very much cautioned you guys, probably not a good trade. Very much chasing TRX up. Down here, let's say 21, 22. I think there could be a good entry there in the future. We'll see. That long is just stopped out by a penny. I'm going to place another alert on TRX, but we're going to keep going through charts. We got to get through them. We've got too many pulled up. I've got to close them. I don't want this many. Ethereum versus BTC still following the pattern, heading to 0.0 or 0.05, I think. Let's open. What do we got here? Back to our TP on Ethereum USD. Rolling over a little bit. That RSI is real weird on the 12-hour. Daily's still showing strength. To be honest, there might have been a trade right here on Ethereum. I think the low is in for the day. I know everybody's freaking out now, but I think the low's in for the day. I'm not saying the low is in for the week or for the month. Well, for the month, yes, I think so too. Let's try this. I think this is a bad trade, to be honest, on Ethereum. You're back under that trend line. I don't like it. I'm not seeing the strength on the BTC pair that I'd like. But whatever. Whatever. I think it's possible. I think it could be done. And it's really just betting on the low being in for today. Bitcoin not really making me confident in that. This is not the candle I'm looking for. Jeez, Bitcoin. Go up. But I think it's in for today. I think Monday's low is over. Ethereum. Yeah, 37. Your stop could be much tighter. If you had a very tight stop, you're looking for a scalp, you just scalp that back to 4,000. Let's see. 4,000. I guess something like this. There it is. Something like that, just back to 4,000. Your stop right below this low. I think that could be played. I actually like this trade better. I think this is a really good invalidation for Ethereum. 3,680, very good. Trade under there. I think longs are the thesis for a long is pretty invalidated. I like this scalp. I think you could have a longer position though, back to all-time high. Let's see how that rolls. Place more alerts here so I know in real time when this happens. Okay, let's keep rolling here. Mog was listed question mark by Coinbase. I think that was the news. Mog doing a little retracing here. This is going to be a knife on the way back down, for sure. I honestly would not short this. I probably wouldn't long it here either. I do have a little bit of spot I picked up before all-time high. At this point for me, I'm going to look to sell some in the same fashion we always do. Simply using the fib tool, getting our 1618 and our measured move targets. So it's currently at 35,000, looking for 54,000 and 87,000 to take profits and shave off. If we do see MOG return, let's say back to that previous all-time high down here at 22, that would be the entry in my mind. I don't think you want to be buying this really as it's tapped all-time high and like reversing here. This could, of course, sell off. It could just reverse now. I think the risk there is too high. You've moved up too much. The upside is diminished from that move up and the downside has grown. So for me, this is profit taking only. In fact, I already have those set and I even will set more alerts here. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Okay, just did MOG. Let's go to 𝐂𝐡. Now we're not going to look at 𝐂𝐡. 𝐂𝐡. Goodbye, 𝐂𝐡. This isn't the one that rugged either, I don't think. I think it was one before that. BNB. Nobody cares about BNB except for me because we've been talking about it for over a year and how much of a sleeper it is. BNB higher low against BTC. $1,000 seems so locked. Seems so loaded. On the month, sold off below all-time high, but still at the highest potential monthly close here. Nice. 650, huh? So we had like, yeah, we have a long here that's underwater. I think there's a better one. I guess I'll still stand behind that one. But for BNB, 650, where was that? 650. Kind of like that. What do we got here? Below these lows. I still think 1,000 is the target. The stop is the hardest part of this. The target to the upside, though. I think maybe this is a spot play here. 2.5 to 1. I like that. BNB, though, still above its lows. This is a red candle along with the rest of the market, but still very much potentially in a flag. That could change under 69,000. We'll see how much damage this takes if it actually moves down there. I think BNB is so bullish though. It's been so bullish, mostly because no one's talking about it. We looked at Dash. We looked at Dash in the last live. Let's check out Dash. Just update it quick. Update it quick. Dash from 21. Yep. Okay. This is weird. It doesn't really line up with anything, but Dash retracing here in knife status. I'd feel comfortable. You could try a scalp at 50 back to 67, but there's just nothing there except for that $50 mark. $41, very historical level. Really untested as support on the way up. 41. I don't know what that risk to reward is though. 1? Yeah. I guess back to 66. I don't really know. I guess you would go to the resistance there, right? But I think 41 is a pretty good place to look for a position. I don't want a position in this coin, so I'm good. I'm passing, but people were talking about it. They wanted to see it. There you go. Flare? Anything here? A flare? Flare did not reach its March highs yet. It's going to have to try to find some higher low support. Everything's doing the same move, really. We'll come back to Flare at another time. JASMY. That JASMY short, I cannot believe it's still... I can't believe it's still there. I can't believe it's still on. Not stopped. That's wild. Maybe 3 cents. This short got wrecked. This long did not. That long hit. At the moment, just the shorts open. I think there are better long targets than 1.8 cents for JASMY. I think 3.5 could be a play. 3.5. Feel much safer down at like the 3 level though. Hold up, chat. I'm just getting through some of these. JASMYs. Okay. Bonk, ADA. Oh, yeah, I didn't look at ADA. I didn't do XRP. They're up, though. Don't worry. XRP's here. ADA is what started all this. So we'll go XRP ADA. Let's go XRP ADA. XRP. Nothing's happening. You guys always freak out when nothing's happening. XRP. Red candle, bro. Yeah, it's 10% down. Okay, never mind. Let me rephrase. I wasn't gentle enough here. XRP down 10% for the day. Understandable, especially you just got into crypto, you bought XRP, it's down 10%. I get it. But in the realm of has anything happened here? Is anything bad, right? Is there damage to this chart? The answer is no. No damage here. XRP just hit a lower high. Of course, not bullish. You don't want lower highs. But you haven't broken structure here. You have support at 225. You're currently at 232. 225 could very easily bounce price. I'd prefer to not see that happen though, because if you hit 225, really, I think you're going for another lower high. And then what are you doing? You're probably coming for our entry at $2. This has been our entry on this coin for a bit since the all-time high broke, or not all-time high, since really since December started, I guess, since we started pumping our brains out. At the moment, there's nothing wrong here. It could very easily bounce 224, go test that all-time high. If that doesn't happen and it paints out kind of what I was getting at here, lower highs with a flat bottom, I think you just get a better entry. You have a high, boom, support, lower high, boom, support, lower high, boom. You test that support again, and you look for that $2 entry. I think after, if it does come at all, but after it comes, I think you do move on to that all-time high. Nothing has changed for XRP. I get it. You're maybe scared. 10% daily candle, especially if you bought yesterday, or if you bought, I don't know, on the 1st. Things are spooky. But this blasted so hard, so fast, through all kinds of resistance. It has not tested them as support. It has not built any support. We may be seeing the first support test built just right here. Maybe coming on down. If it, again, doesn't just bounce right now, which is very, very much possible. Very, very much possible here. It's like right there, man. XRP is looking fine. If you're worried about XRP and you didn't just buy it at $2 plus, you know, like recently, you're just too zoomed in. Zoom back out. You don't have enough perspective. You're too zoomed in. You gotta zoom back out. Gotta get that perspective. Or you watch the shit under a microscope, man, and you're never gonna make it in crypto. Ever, ever, ever. On Binance, man, you closed your month at the highest point on Binance. This wasn't the all-time high, but the highest point on Binance that it ever traded, April 1st, 21. At $2, you closed the month with no wick. Like, you're good. You're good. Coming down to that $2 target is really just a sweep of the late longs, and I think that clears you up to continue higher. Litecoin, all right. I'll look at Litecoin, but I gotta do ADA first. Yeah, dude. Just fine. Cardano. Oh no, Cardano. Cardano. Reversing a little bit here on the BTC pair. Still kind of early to call, but it did hit a major resistance. Now we see it kind of pulling back here. Bitcoin retaking some of those gains. Let's take a look at the dollar pair though. Cardano also in a wonderful, beautiful rally. 216% last month. It did trade up to 132, which is interesting to me that it's red now. Dollar. You want to see like a dollar test? Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah. Dollar. I like that. This was your resistance. It looks like maybe you're still in it. You're still in this. It's your 618, your golden Fibonacci retracement from 21's high all the way down. My music stopped. All the way down to the bear market low. The golden Fibonacci retracement level sits right there. Right here. At $1.14. You closed higher candles. I'm still not worried about this. You know, this is a brand new weekly candle. It's just back to the previous candle, previous week low. Right off the bat, I think intra-week our low is in for Bitcoin. We were kind of looking for more sideways price action. Maybe it's just returning to that. This isn't really a big deal in my mind. If anything, this may be offering a better entry. $1 to 96 cents right here. This would be not a bad way to continue. Build a little support on the way up. Missing something here. What am I missing? Oh, it's $1, isn't it? It's $1. Do it this way. Can do it down here as well. Almost the exact same trade. Ooh, it just traded to $1. Wow, ADA just fucking flew to that long entry. Sheesh. Sheesh. The discounts, man. I have been, since things got very spicy, reminding you guys that in the bull market, you're going to talk about, oh, I want pullbacks, I want lower numbers, I want entries, and you're going to want them on the way up. And that's going to result in you just buying the top over and over again on repeat. And then I said, there will be entries, but they will be very far and few between. They'll be very rare. And when they come, they probably will be too scary for you. You'll probably be like, oh, hell no, I'm not buying that. No way. Those are the only entries in the bull run. This candle's looking kind of like it. Down 11% today on Cardano, reaching for, I'm going to say $1 to 96.5 cents. That's where I'm going to look for support to hold here. And I think if it holds, that's going to be a solid place to bounce and to continue on to that 280 target. Let's go. Let's go. Alert set. What else are we looking at here? Link may be at entry. Ooh. Link didn't hit our $30 target. Damn, but it hit 27.40. Not that bad. Let's see. It has pulled back on the week and now potentially could look for support here. 21.70. That'd be a very strong place to kind of reverse. Move higher into that $30 zone. You got some support here. If that fails, I think you're back to 18, looking for this lower high into August low, into higher high. Either way, Link is trending up. It isn't an uptrend. Since let's say 23, June 23. This is trending up on a macro. The odds of it moving back to $38, incredibly good in my mind during this run. I think a lot of these sell-offs we're seeing today are going to just be bought up bounces. I think it's we're going to look back, maybe not even in that long of time, and be like, man, we were all hyped up for nothing. Weird. What about FTM? FTM, damn, yo, hit 137. Now, ooh, breaking a little structure here. Our dollar entry still up 15%. But we are moving farther away from that take profit. What do we think? I think you get a higher low here, like 107, 108 on FTM, and then you continue this march up. These sell-offs really are not as bad as they feel or they look or they seem right now, and that is getting me more bullish, which is somehow possible, even though I'm already infinitely bullish. Ondo, here's one moving to the entry. So a lot of the time we're looking at charts that have already run, and you guys want to buy the tops of them, and it's not fun for me because I don't want to get you guys hyped and into bad positions. Ondo, people were looking to buy it around 190. We do have a $3 target. However, looking for that lower entry, the patience play again, 150. This is a pretty good retrace, pretty solid retrace from its high at 2. Down 22, 25-ish%. Not quite at 150 yet, but I like that. That is a 3.6 to 1 risk to reward. We actually could bring it down lower, but whatever. Still targeting that $3 level. This is just basic easy TA, man. Ondo broke all-time high. All-time high was resistance. It broke it relatively easily. Now it's just testing that resistance as support, and it may get that shot back to $3. I actually like this chart. I'm going to keep an eye on that one. EGLD, eating it. Heading back to 37.40. Bitcoin Cash. Interesting. Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. We caught a little bottom there, I guess. A little bit. It's up a little. Holding on. Dollar pair, though. That's a lower high. Maybe back to 500. Might get another shot at it before 1,000. I do think BCH is going to 1,000 this cycle. Total crypto market cap I was supposed to look at the beginning of the stream, and I forgot. I'm sorry, fam. I can't believe so many of you are still here, and I'm just ripping through charts. Like, just not even reading the chat, just ripping charts. Stop selling the weekly bottom, says Victor Chaos, and I do agree. I do think this is the weekly bottom, the weekly low. And I think, oh, we got stopped out. Ooh. I'm like yelling about how I think this is the weekly low and stuff, and it's like, oh, but it's just moving a little lower. I guess it's 96. I think 96 is the low. Below there, it gets much uglier. Much uglier. Hold up. Oh, it's coming for my entry too. I opened this $10,000 coin margin long, and it's coming for my entry, man. No. No. Don't do that. Coming for me. Oh, that is getting close for comfort, man. I should have a stop on that somewhere, shouldn't I? It's because I had the shorts open that were hedging them. I didn't need a stop. And then the shorts closed here, like 102,000 balls. Whew. Ooh, boys. I need this bounce. Need the bounce. Give me the bounce. Should I reopen? No, I shouldn't keep risking, should I? Shouldn't reopen more long just because we're here. I kind of want to, though. Kind of want to. So the USD long right here, mostly closed. And I think mostly closed above this level. Let's see. Yeah, like not much above it though. Not like meaningfully above it. What do I want to do? I think the low's in. I think that's just where I gotta stick with. Gotta stick with it. I think we might see as low as 96 or 95, 950 or something. Below that, man, I should stop out my positions. Like 94, 4. Maybe I get out. Okay, I need another alert. I need more caffeine. I just need to be doing something with my other hand while I'm streaming, because streaming is like a trigger for my nicotine cravings. Amp flagging out a little lower than expected. Not really worried about that either. See that 1 cent test. It's at 1 cent. Amp. Maybe you should bounce here actually, Amp. Turbo, I never even got into it. There's been too much going on. What's up, boys? Double top. Quarter. Honestly, a lot of these charts look like they're just going back to 1 penny or whatever that equivalent is. Like 1 cent, 0.1 cent, 10 cent. Like weird. A lot of them. I think that's what Turbo's even doing. Hold support there, move up again. Might be a good buy at a penny. What's up? What's up, Zavinia? XRP? We looked at XRP. We looked at it. There's not much more to say about it. There it is. XRP is still flagging. Still making a bullish pattern. If it loses, it doesn't have a lot below it to lose before it loses that. But then our entry at $2 comes on the table. This is a good entry, in my opinion, not financial advice. This is still fine. It's still flagging. If it reaches, let's say it's like 225, low bounce, you get back down here. So far here, it could still just flag and move up. XRP is not in trouble yet. I didn't look at Litecoin. Where's my lighter coin? You guys, by the way, join our Discord. It's free. Discord.gg/TomCrown. If you sign up with any of the partners in the video description below, and there's more in the Discord actually. Basically, if you sign up with any of the affiliate links, you will get into our private exclusive trading group in that Discord. It's only way in. Those links help support the channel. And then you get in to the closed doors. It's free. Check it out. Check her out. Man. Litecoin, no. Litecoin, no. Hold 110, bro. Hold 110, bro. Get like 110. You reached up. Litecoin, you're supposed to keep going, dude. What the fuck, bro? You look so good. I just don't believe these sell-offs yet. I think these are flushes. I think Bitcoin is about to make its move towards 120,000. I think alts are pulling back in preparation of that. That's what I genuinely think. That's a candle though, man. That's a candle. What is this? 15%? Litecoin like leading the way in the market here with the red. Yeesh. I see lots of subscribers, new names coming in. Let's go, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Steven Young, drone spotting. What's good, my friend? Ashish Doobie, how are you? Shout out to Antar subscribing. Shout out to Righteous subscribe. Shout out to Rajesh. Shout out to Roshan. Shout out to Eva Dior. All the new names. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed yet, join us. One of the few, honestly, there's maybe a dozen. One of the few channels on YouTube that's here just to help you. You're not the product here. We don't accept money to shill stuff. We don't tell you to buy pump and dumps, even if they pay me 100 grand. I won't do it. I've never done it. We've been live for 6 years. Our reputation is immaculate. Ask anyone. I'm just a normal guy. I get things wrong, but immaculate. I would never do anything to put you guys in harm's way. And that is unfortunately very rare in crypto. Incredibly rare in YouTube crypto. Incredibly rare. You found the right place. Well, Moonwell, I don't own any of this, but Moonwell actually didn't get stopped out. And the way to look at this is, well, now you're right at entry again. Maybe it's a play again. 2.6 to 1, 100% upside versus 41% downside. That's really going to limit it. Don't trade perps on shitcoins like this anyway, but you go back to entry. It's interesting to see a lot of coins right now during these sell-offs just back to where we like took profits or entered previously. Back to support. I don't hate this. I think that's actually maybe a solid play. We'll find out, I suppose. Ordy. Coming on down. 40, I guess at 40 bucks filled its like daily fair value gap there. Open gap. Everything's got to bounce here. What do you think? 𝐂𝐈𝐆𝐍. What do you think? S. Wenzel. Thomas HM. Great name. Welcome. Handsome name. What's up? Hugo Golazos. Hector Dante 15. J. Ferradas. Number 1. What's up, Satish? We got a lot of new people coming in. I don't know where you're coming from. Maybe it's because we're like the only people live still. It's 4 p.m. We're live later than usual, and the spice is keeping us here. I looked at so many charts. We're not done. If you could keep hyping up the live stream. Bitcoin at a very perilous, a very stressful price point right now. Well, anyone joining us that wasn't here for the intro, Bitcoin really testing the limits of this support right now. Quick rehash for those just joining. I know you want to see other stuff. 97K is where we were initially at the beginning of this stream looking for a bounce. This was the daily fair value gap right here. 97K. We can still settle the day above there and still have a beautiful daily candle. However, right now in real time, we are approaching what I'll call basically the lower bound of this support. Okay, the weekly, this was like when we opened the stream, 97.2. We have a weekly here, a daily, a little bit lower, and then here is where I am saying this is the level to hold. If we lose this, it gets uglier quicker. 90. It's because we're on Coinbase again. I need to stop switching between Coinbase and Binance. This is getting me very confused. Here we go. The monthly is flipped red. Flipped red. This is it. This is the bounce. If we don't bounce here, shit's bad in my opinion. Not looking great. If we do not bounce it right here, it has to happen. Has to happen here. A new hour just opened and it opened to red. Oof. Oofed. Our other long got stopped. Now maybe working on this one. 95.7. This is not what I was hoping to see. It is getting hella spicy and people are flooding into the stream now. Welcome, fam. Welcome to all the new viewers. Things are getting real. I was pretty convinced, we've been live for over an hour. During this, I was pretty convinced that 97 would hold. 97 is not held. Now we are at the last line of defense. This is the 618 retracement from our wick low to 92 up to 102. Here we are. Ugh, I might stop my long out. What do you think? I feel like if I do it, it'll just be Pico bottom right now. Woof. I'm losing money. This trade was up mad does earlier. Losing money now, down $300 on this. Yeesh. Am I crazy? We're past all of the retracements. We're past all the levels. Like, this is it. This is either the Pico bottom of this move, probably Pico bottom of this week, or we're going down to like 92,000. I'm still going to hold on and say I think that we are going to bounce. I don't think we're breaking 92, but I'm not a fortune teller. Oof. Ugh, bro. Bro, so painful. No. 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 There's just nothing here either. It's only wicks. We're like in full-on wick territory. 95K, 94.9. Rest in peace to both of the longs on the stream. By like a penny. This one's still alive by a hair. Oof, man. Oofed. Riggedy wrecked here. Not loving it. Let's zoom back out again. Oh. Quarterly, still green. Let's take some solace in that. The quarter stands strong. But man, oh man, did we just take a beating today. The month of December, though we have traded lower, is now down 2% for the month. Not a great look. XRP just hit 216. We'll have to check back in on it. Week still could be looking to make a higher low here. We have a lot of time. Remember, this is Monday. This is the only day it has traded this week. This is not a full weekly candle. Not looking good though. My God. Getting so many notifications. 40 to 33. Okay, let's start peeping some of these and praying that corn holds this low. My God. There it is. We didn't get the fill quite. We didn't get the fill. Almost though. XRP $2. So close to our $1.96 target. We're getting skunked there, aren't we? That's going to be the low. I feel like that's going to be the low. We're not going to get filled. ADA. Looks like it filled the longs from this live stream. $1 to 94 cents. Hopefully it can hold on there. That's where I'm going to need to see this bounce, or else we're looking for lower. 96 cents. That was a good fill, though. Damn. All of the downward targets filling. Getting filled today. JASMY, 3 cents. I'll say that's filled. 3.5, whatever. We're looking for that earlier. Filled. Let's go. Boom, BNB. We placed this today. 650 filled, boys. 650 almost to the dot. We are seeing coins smash back. Oh. Oh. Smash back to support. Look at Ethereum. Holy. We placed that today too. That's very dangerous. Smashing back to support. There's Gala. Gala back to the level. Oh my God. Every trade just filled. I was saying this earlier during the bull runs. I yell about this a lot, but during bull runs, you'll watch charts go up. You'll be like, oh man, I want to dip. I want it to dip. I want to get it lower. But instead you'll chase charts up. And then what happens is all at once, the market will give you very brief entries. Those entries, you'll see them come and you'll say, no, I don't want that. That's too low. That's crazy. It's scary. It's going to go lower. And then just like that, the entries are gone. And you're back to chasing these charts up. Look at this 15-minute, boys. I said if I close, it's going to be Pico bottom. It would have been. That 15-minute candle traded down to 94.3. Now back to 96.2. The spice is going. Let's go. Let's go, boys. We've had so many fills. Holy shit. Turbo, I didn't put a trade there, but it was a penny. I guess we'll throw a trade on it. I don't know. It is a penny. Let's do the penny trade. Target, I don't know. Whatever. Just do this. We'll just leave it there. It won't be like an impressive trade. Gala filled. Turbo hit 1 cent as discussed. Ethereum filled, but like this is rough now. Ethereum is this long's in bad position. Mog, nothing, didn't place one. BNB filled 650, placed today. That's 1, 2, 3 fills. Let's see. Dash did not somehow hit 41. Weird. JASMY, 3.5 cent filled. XRP so close to $1.96. It hit $2. We might get skunked there. As soon as I saw that, I was like, I bet the low's in now. ADA filling $1 to 96-cent long targets. Hit 91, so we're still in good condition there. Close flare, not really even moving. Link in a little bit more trouble than some of the others. We didn't place along here, but it is below this 2170 to 2280 number. Not my favorite. I'll have to look back on this. That low is in though. That's it. I think that's it. FTM retested our entry, giving another entry at $1. You could have taken that trade again. Holy shit. That trade was up 40% as of Saturday from $1. Refilled, giving you another chance at catching the boat, but you had to have taken it. Ondo filled earlier and obviously is now a little underwater. 150, price at 143. This one's not doing as hot as some of the others. EGLD, I'll check on you later. Total crypto market cap, a pretty nasty weekly candle there. But still, I think fine. I think that's still fine. I'm not worried. Make sure you guys are smashing the likes and subscribes, please. We've been live for quite some time. We're not usually live this long. Turbo, wicking back up. Let's go. Wicking back up through that penny entry, LFG. Please smash the likes and subscribes. The more we get, the longer we will stay on this live. And trust me, I've already thought of leaving. Ooh, 750 on dot. We didn't have like a trade or anything. Back to support. I think that counts. I think that's tested. I saw someone subscribe. Let's go. Gala, we already looked at, already filled. Solana. No one asked about Solana, which is weird. Give me something. Where are all the trades? Where are all the positions at? I'll do them later. Give me something. There we go. Solana. Solana did not hit 200. Technically, that long's still not stopped out. We did talk about this, closing this one early previously in this month. And maybe looking to reopen at 200. We didn't get 200, though. We got 203. Just shy of our $200 entry on Solana. Interesting. Interesting. We'll see. Just near my alert, too. Are you scared? Are you worried? Don't be scared. You found the right place. We'll take care of you. Come here. All 2,300 of you. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bring it in, fam. Bitcoin lows in. That's it. Lows in for the day. Hopefully for the week, but lows in at least for the day. That's my honest opinion. We have seen so many coins smash these supports. This is lower than I wanted, but ain't it always that way? Ain't it always that way? Our longs on Bitcoin got nuked today. Absolutely nuked. We had a lot of other entries though, so I ain't too mad. Absolutely nuked. I was gonna take them too, and then I didn't. I guess hindsight's 100%, huh? Look at this freaking candle, man. 5 minute. Boom. Boom. Let me get rid of these on really low time frames. 5 minute nuked down. Look at this volatility. 2% down, over 2% up in 10 minutes. That is wild. That has to be the stop run, right? That has to be it. We're going up now. God damn. I think that's it. So many alts just hit major supports and bounced. I like this setup. I like this setup, man. That is a good flush. We've got people tuned in. They're panicking. We'll check out Velo. We can check out liquidation. Worst hour ever? Nah, probably not worst hour ever. God, I am fiending for nicotine right now. I have not had any, by the way, update. 16 days, over 2 weeks now, cold turkey, done with my vape. But like something about streaming, I guess it's just a habit I've formed, like streaming and vaping. Man, something about it gets me ready to punch an old person for a hit of a vape. Yeah, our wrecked $1 billion in long wrecked in 1 hour. That is, I don't know if that is the biggest ever, but that's certainly up there. Absolutely, that is up there on like the top something. Yes. Absolutely. That is huge. $1 billion of longs wrecked in 1 hour. Let's tweet that. Order books look pretty clear, or not order books. Liquidation chart looks pretty cleared now. I don't like this though. Hold up. Liquidation. We're gonna tweet this. A little live interactive liquidation tweeting. Let's do this. What's happening? Over 1 billion in Bitcoin longs liquidated in 1 hour. You know what? Let's make this clickbaity. Thank you for whoever said that. Like, liquid. I like liquidation. Like, let's say biggest. In 1 hour ever. There you go. Nice and clickbaity. Put that in there. It says it said 1 billion, I thought. It's not 1 hour. It's 863. Let's see. 850 million Bitcoin longs liquidated in 1 hour. Let's put a crappy emoji and then we'll move on. Help me tweet these. Oh, come on. Iron. We're going back. Don't worry. Don't get pissy. There we go. I'm going to tweet it. It's nice and clickbaity. People are spooked. It's like the right timing. It's the right timing for it. Okay. Tweeted. Tweet sent. Hype it up, boys. I'm going to send it in chat. There we go. That's a nice little V-shape. We were saying, a lot of you were saying we need a V-shape recovery here. Earlier, before this sell-off, this could be the start of it. Absolutely. That is beaut. That is a V. I mean, on the 5 minute, we got to let that go. Bottom for ETH, probably. I think a lot of coins just bottomed, at least for this week minimum. Harder sell to be like forever, right? You can't say forever. But I think a lot of altcoins just bottomed. Honestly, I think it's probably safe to say for their like December low, right? Bitcoin December low was the 5th, in my opinion. I think the low's in for Bitcoin for this month. Alts, probably today. I think those deals just came and went. Told you guys in the bull run, when the entries come, they're gonna be scary. They're gonna feel like not safe. You're gonna be like, why would you ever buy now? It feels very safe to buy the top. Feels very safe to continuously buy stuff that's pumping. Feels safe. It's not safe at all. It's a trick. It's a trap. Isn't safe in the slightest. But it feels safe. And then you get into the bull run and you get these pullbacks, and the only time that you get entries is when it doesn't feel safe. It's when it feels the scariest. Like, oh shit, it's over, bottoms out. You sold XRP at what? And then what? Coinflare ETH wicked? Coinflare, Coinbase? This is Coinbase. You must be Stink. Are you looking at like USDC pair or something? This is the most underwater trade that we placed today for an altcoin. I don't think this is a very sexy way to climb Ethereum. Double bottom. I mean, it's technically a double bottom. 3,500. If Ethereum can really recover today, this will look great back up to all-time high. You must be looking at like Ethereum on like USDC pair or something, because not on USDT. Yeah, well, I guess that played out. Ethereum wicked right back to the support, right back to the trend. I still think it's going to 005, following the playbook perfectly. Maybe you're looking at USDT or USDC, because this is USD. There's no wick to 3K. That's just a liquid. just means in a liquid market. Binance hit 650 sniper entry. Already back to 687 in the course of like 5 minutes. Let's go. My biggest sad face today is XRP did not hit 196. It looks like it bounced $2, and I feel like that's gone now, this entry. I feel like that was it. We missed it. It's okay. There'll be other entries and everything later. ADA, we hit a solid $1.96 entry. Fire. FTM re-enter $1. Ondo, the 150 target or 150 entry, now back in profit, though it did wick below. What do we got? Turbo, 1 cent, up 4%. Not crazy, but up 4% just from today, from this entry placed on this live. Bonkers. Bros, I think the low is in. Look at Doge. Doge did like barely skipped a beat here, man. Doge not even noticing this sell-off, just like perfectly in alignment with the rest of its lows. Litecoin traded to 105. Oh, my soul hurts. This hurts my soul. Come on, Litecoin. I wonder if it was like perfectly to that month, to this monthly. Oh no. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Let's see, Litecoin. Yeah, pretty dude, this is why, all right, this is why I'm pretty confident in calling that the low is it now for alts. Like, it's not just Litecoin. It is so many coins. You've seen so many of the long positions fill today that we have placed over the course of the last 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. The ones that didn't look like they'd ever fill. They all basically filled today at the same time. Some of them obviously better than others. But the reason I think that the low is in for alts now for the month is we have seen so many do that, and even Litecoin, as I just pulled this up, right back to monthly, right back to a major time frame, to monthly previous resistance as support, like to the penny, 105. Boom, now wick. Of course, anything's possible. Can continue selling off. No one knows the future. But this is symptomatic of what I was talking about. In a bull run, the entries are scary. You'll see really this kind of thing happen. You'll see a strong pullback, a scary wick. It will feel like, oh, it's going to keep going. I'm going to get wrecked, right? It's going to keep going. And then it just reverses. You see alts all kind of smash supports at the same time. They all bounce at the same time. And just like that, those prices are gone. The entry's gone and you've missed them, and now you're back to chasing prices on the way up. It's so Bitcoin, man. It's so crypto bull run. Like, this was the first taste of the crypto bull run that we've had. And people are talking about it being over. They're like, is it over? Are we done? Bro, it's like, this is the first taste we've had. Right here. This flash crash, boom wick, back to the middle. This is the Bitcoin in the bull run that I saw, that I've grown up observing. Boom, wick down, everything gets faded, get bought back up. What are we looking for? Close above 97,000. We're at 96.8 after all that. After 94K was hit today, we're almost back to 97. We're back to 97 now. Holy shit. I'm so bullish. I am so bullish. Close Bitcoin above 97. It's like 97.50. Close it above right here, December 5th and 6th. Close open. Going right back to 100K. Right back. There we are. 97. Let's go. Let's go. I had a shitty lift this morning. It was so, I guess, so this could happen. I don't know. Both of our longs got wrecked. Yes, I know. It happens. They made sense. The stops made sense. It was logical. This low, 94.2, doesn't really make sense. But things don't make sense all the time. Support is kind of a vague concept. It's not an exact number. Support is very much a zone. And typically when you're doing stuff like this, these big wicks, that support is just going to get blasted through and rubber banded. It's like never, really rarely going to touch perfectly like that. Alts, on the other hand, when they snap back, you can get some very nice entries. Gala, almost perfect off that entry. Let's go. That's up 20% already, isn't it? 22% already. from literally 20 minutes ago. You probably placed this half an hour, 45 minutes ago, up 20% off that major support. This is how you trade the bull market, man. You do not chase shit up. You have to sometimes accept that you missed the rally, and you gotta be patient and bottom fish. You gotta be like that hunter, sitting in the field waiting for the deer. You're not running after the deer. BNB position up 6% placed during this live. Dash skunked us. Screw you, Dash. In fact, Dash, I'm closing your chart because you skunked us. I hate you. Boom. Pico bottom here on JASMY? Question mark. Like, Pico bottom? I guess technically it didn't fill. Like, technically. Off by like 0.0007 cents. I don't know. I'm going to count that as a fill. I'll count that as a fill. Up 25%. It can be this easy, guys. It can be. And when I say this easy, I mean like right now in the moment after you've waited. We placed these all a long time ago and we waited and they didn't feel like they'd fill, and there was a lot of FOMO and urge to like jump in. You had to resist that. So no, not easy. But it can be as easy as setting orders and walking away. Setting them at major supports and walking the F away. Not messing with them. I can't believe XRP didn't fill. I wonder if it did on Coinbase. Nope. Looks like $2 kind of all around. The itch. The itch. How many people didn't think this was going to happen? And then it did. Exacto. Projection, 2,000 votes, and people don't even know what the projection is. For a lot of those votes, I want to say. Let's see. Man, I don't know. I don't know. It's still kind of in play. It's still kind of in play. Still in play. It's getting so. It's pushed the limits of this fractal. Pushed the limits for sure. But I'd say it's still in bounds. Like, let's say if it closes above 97, it's still in bounds. If we get a daily close underneath the trend, then I guess this is bunk. But this is still very much like what this was looking for. This was looking for no break of 100 until December 4th, December 5th. We got that. After that rejection, it said no rally, no burst out. It said reject 100, move to a higher low. Move to a higher low, and then you can start this rally. It's like second week of December. Are we in the second week of December? We are. Maybe by Friday? I don't know. I don't know. I think this is still going. 58% of you saying it's still fire with 2,100 votes. You guys are the best. Let's start another one. Is the low end today? Is the low end for this week? Welcome to all the new people, by the way. I'm going to join the chat in a minute. Go Bulls. Okay, we got a bullish, a bearish, and I don't know, show results. Vote in the new poll. What do you think? Is the low in? Is it in? I think it's in. But you guys, I want your opinions. What's up, Eamon? What's up, Tate Motivation? 30% correction in alts. You think the lows are in? I don't know, man. I mean, we were expecting. We were waiting on a lot of these entries for a week, maybe 2 weeks. We were waiting. But is it apparent that it's in, right? Just because, like, oh, they went down and now they're up a little bit. I don't know, man. The only reason I'm really feeling that for alts is the precision in which they went back to these levels. Ethereum really kind of the odd one. This low is very odd to me. Retested the same low. Like, I definitely didn't think it was going that low, though it didn't technically get stopped. But everything else, dude. Like BNB, perfect hit. Perfect hit here. Like, boom. Perfect fill, 650. We placed that today. JASMY, boom. 3.5. Just off by, like, fractions of a penny. Like, perfect. Let's line these up. Gala, perfect. JASMY, perfect. XRP, I'll say perfect. This is just like JASMY, though. Didn't quite fill. XRP, perfect. BNB, perfect. Let's keep moving them. ADA, perfect. Provided it doesn't keep selling off, but perfect. $1 to 96 cents. FTM back to, it's almost like Ethereum retested that same low. FTM back to our previous entry. So I could say perfect, but at the same time, like, I don't know, I didn't call for another trade there. So Ondo, $1.50, perfect. Dude, it's just like the whole market is kind of like figuring its shit out now. It's like, hey, better get in line. Turbo, pretty perfect. Penny. Dot, we didn't have a trade there, but Dot from 750, that might be perfect too. Kind of that same double bottom we're seeing on Ethereum and Link. Is it Link? No, FTM. Sol is the one that's just out there. I don't know what Sol's doing. What is Sol doing? It hit 204. Like, we were looking for 200. Maybe it still comes, but like, that's one that's like keeping me a little skeptical. LTC, Litecoin, perfect 105. Bam, right back to previous monthly resistance. Velo, someone was asking about Velo. Velo, it did break its high. That's a pretty clean fill at 228. I'm not going to pretend I called that or something. But that's a similar trade to the BNB one I placed earlier. It was just this same logic, fill the daily there. I think Velo gets a bounce. Sushi, XLM. We could look at literally every chart today, fam. Every chart today is going to have something interesting. Every single one. XYO doing exactly as we predicted. Still hasn't hit 2 cents though. Ordi. Ordi. I'm glad we didn't place a trade on Ordi. In fact, let's just make that clear. Though 3280 is probably not going to go lower than that. Moonwell. Right back to the entry. Whatever. Dog. Wait. We placed this today. This filled today. Let's fucking go. People are like, no, I don't like that trade. That's too aggressive. Dudes. Doge, DOG to the moon, dog to the moon, whatever. Just filled at 00759. Okay, got a little lower. That's a solid ass fill though. That was placed during this live stream before the sell-off. XLM, what's XLM doing? Not much. BTC vet, yeah, we'll go back to BTC. XLM not doing much. I don't know. What is it that you need here? It's a good wick low, but there's just nothing. I'm not interested in XLM to like 28 cents. Let's see. I put an alert here for the lower low though. Bitcoin above 97. Basically the bare minimum of where I want to see today close to be bully. Vet, yeah. Sol we already looked at. Nothing's going on with Sol. It's like kind of weird. The whole market's bouncing here, boys. We got it. I think the intra-week low is in. 62% of you agree. Only 500 votes. We have 2,500 people here. 2,500. And we only have 500 votes. There we go. Boom. Crank them up. How many new people do we have here? Who's here for the first time? We only have 630 likes with 2.5 thousand people viewing. We can get more than that. Bitcoin recovering here. We are seeing a V-shaped recovery, in my opinion, paint out. We're seeing it on the low time frames first. This is the hourly resistance, though. You had this bearish order block that we called out during the live. Bearish order block paint, lower low. You're back to that order block. That is acting as resistance here, which sucks because this is where we got to see it push the gas down. I need the gas pushed all the way to the floor. First time here. What's up, Maxwell? How you doing, brother? First time. Who else is first time here? This is not a recovery, says Josh Hoo-Ha for Rester. What is it then, brother? What is it? This is, I think it's a massive real reversal. Yes, I do. That's what I think. How do I choose where my limit buys are? Slice. Brother, you can literally go through this stream today and watch me place a bunch of them. And I tell you the exact reasoning. The exact thing I'm thinking. A lot of them, or most of them, I'll say, are basically just like back to major levels. Back to like previous untested levels. Boom. Boom, boom. Like XRP $1.96 here, this was just major monthly level. You broke through it. You didn't really back test it. You didn't really do much with it. And boom, there you are, right back to it, right? Like, that's how a lot of them are. They're all a little different, each one kind of selected for its own flavor, taste, spice, but most of them are when things are rallying and you guys bring them to me and you say, should I put all my money in XRP right now? It's at $2. And I go, guys, you do whatever you want. You're not going to listen to me anyway. But even in a bull run, what we do is we look for major supports that have been ignored. We place limit buy orders there and we let the market come to us. We don't chase the market up. You chase the market up and with 100% confidence, you will buy the top of the market at some point. Guaranteed. You'll keep buying it. You be a patient trader. You set limit buy orders and you wait. And the best thing that happens is they get filled and they wick like we saw today. Like let's say this totally filled. XRP, let's say it filled at 196. You'd already be up 15%. Gala filled 4.1. It's at 4.8. You'd be up like 29% now. What? 20%. That's the best case. The worst case is they don't fill because they keep going up and you just cancel them. Nothing happens. No punishment. Been trying to get you guys to see it this way. You got to be patient with these orders. It'll feel like things are never going to stop going up. They'll never come back to these prices. But you guys see me. We're live here daily doing this TA, placing these longs, placing these positions. And when I place them, it's like, those will never fill, Tom. I always see it. Someone in the chat's like, that's never going to fill. They usually do. They usually do. And it's on the scariest, spookiest of days where you think, I don't want to buy. It's just going to keep going down forever. Why would I buy it? The bottom's not in. It's going to keep going. That's where the value is. That's where the entries are. The entries are going to be very rare, but when they come, they're going to be scary. They're not going to feel good. Buying the top feels good. Buying good entries, the best entries, maybe put it this way. The better the entry, in my experience of 8 years trading in crypto, the better the entry, the shittier it feels. It feels and you're like, oh no, I shouldn't have done that. Oh no. And then all of a sudden you're in a boss entry. You like bought the bottom. You're in a great position. And almost every buy that's felt good where I'm like, yeah, I want to get in right now. Almost every time that's been bad. Almost every time I got wrecked. Valuable lessons. V-shape us out of here. That's right, saying. Let's go. What's up, Philin? Charles, Little Fox, still here, my friend. Bariu, Parik. How you doing? Monkey Bones. Who else is here? First time here. What's up, Spiros? How you doing? Who else is here? Eric Carlson, Tom, speaking the deepest of truths right now. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. I try. That's all I can do. That's all I got. What website am I using? This is TradingView. TradingView.com. TradingView is free. There is premium, but I do ask if you're going to sign up for TradingView, use my link. It is in the video description below. Along with a lot of links. Dude, the music's over again. I need to find new tunes. One more time with this playlist, I guess. Here we go. Great opportunity. He sold the coins that did not go down to buy the cryptos that are down. Works for you. It works, brother. Who else said they were new? Did I miss you? Proflan, look at the RSI trendline on the daily chart. It bounced perfect. I bet it did. I have been watching that. Bounced perfect. Let's see. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. Actually, you know what? It's pretty good, but also if you check out this RSI, watch, ready? You have a low and then a lower low on like every iteration of this. We'll do it this way. Almost every iteration of this on that trend line. You have a low and a lower low. Baller. I don't know if it's perfect, but it's damn good. You're right, dude. It's damn good. It might be perfect, but it's damn good. Low, lower, low. Another, for me, just another cementing bottom in signal. Ooh, we're putting on ground here. 97.3. We're getting bros if we... Imagine if we close even higher. This can get even sillier. This is going to get real silly. I might get rid of this arrow. Does not need to be here on minutes. I gotta pee. Let's go. Let's go. 98. We're going back up to 98.7. Like now? Now? I don't know. For those of you arguing this wasn't a V-shape or isn't a V-shape recovery, you're starting to look wrong. You're starting to look really, really wrong. You're looking real wrong. In the best of ways. 97.4 and climbing. We are getting out of the muck. Out of the muck. Let me look at the alerts that went off in the last hour. Turbo, ADA, JASMY, Ondo, Gala, Ordi, XRP, BNB, Whiff. I didn't look at Whiff. Vet. But can I look away? Dude, this is like some of the spiciest streaming we've caught in a while. I'm going to pull up Vet real quick. And I thought today was going to suck. I was like, today's beat. Today's not a fun day. I don't know. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Ready? Boom. Boom, boom. So you know I'm not cheating. You know I'm not cheating. Perfect trade. Holy shit. Perfect trade again. Oh my God. Oh my God. What was this at? 5-1. Let's do it this way. I have to pee so bad. I'm going to go pee in a second. Don't worry. Boom. Perfect on Vet. Thank you for whoever said Vet. Let's go. Bro. Bro, perfect resistance. Support. Oh my God. Boom. Perfect. 8 cents. 5.18 cents. Let's go. That's another one. This is in the Hall of Famers for today. This one's already up 15% off that low as well. We've got a big list of Hall of Famers today. Vet, let's go. It's like it saw me look at it and it's like, okay, I'll go up more. Boom. What was the other ones? Whiff. Whiff. Okay. I'm going to pull Whiff up, but even Link. Dude, even Link might be holding 22.87. If it closes above 22.87, it's going right to 30 bucks. I'm going to pull Whiff up. I'm going to put the Bitcoin chart back on, and I'm going to have to run to the bathroom real quick. Dude, this just keeps ruining my trades. Fuck you, TradingView. I have to go pee really fast, guys. The bathroom's right here. It's going to take me 30 seconds. Like and subscribe while I'm out. Do not go anywhere. The spice is not over today. Great time to join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Check out the links in the video description below while I'm out. Be right back. Don't go anywhere. Keep subscribing. Keep hyping. Did it fast. Did it fast for you. We only lost 400 or 500 viewers. God damn. Dude, if I ever leave the camera, views just... Look at this. Look at that. I'm gone for 30 seconds. Look at this. From 2,600... Lost them. It's okay. We're still going strong. Bitcoin's still going strong. We still got 2,200 of the best, brightest, most beautiful people in the room. Bitcoin's still moving. I did notice a few other alerts that I missed. Let's go to YenJ. I'm sure there's more even. There has to be like so many more. Let's go. Might be an old chart. Hmm. Hmm. I feel like this is an old chart. Why does that keep happening? Hold up. It is a really old chart. It's from 2021. Okay. I know we've done analysis on it though. Is it right here? No, it's not right here. We just did it. I know we just did this. Give me a sec. Binance. Maybe it's INJ I'm thinking of. We didn't do ENJ. Why'd I get an alert on it then? What? What is this alert? So I got an alert on ENJ at 24.65 cents. Does this like bring me to the chart though? No. I don't know where we did it. I guess it's old. It's okay. Let's pull up the old chart. Let's see what we were doing. Zoom out. There's some entry at 20 cents. I don't know. This is from a very long time ago. Yeah, look at us. Oh. There's an old ass chart. Rogue 21. Weird ass chart. Very weird chart. Okay. I still argue 20 cents was a good entry. No, this got stopped. I don't know what this alert was for. Like, when did I place this? I guess here? It's doing like the same thing as DOT. Ready? This chart and DOT look exactly the same now. And kind of like Ethereum, TBH. Ready? Look, DOT. You have the low on the 26th. Boom, you broke that low. You've wicked back up. ENJ, same thing. Same thing, same thing. All this shit rhymes. It all rhymes. It's not always exactly the same, but it all rhymes. Get back to the corn. Corn chilling. Chilling. Nice little wick there. Still higher lows for now. Damn, that was some very red money flow. Four hour right here. 2 hours, 13 minutes to go. What? That'll be the daily close and this 4 hour close and the 12-hour close. Let's see the damage. Any close above 97,000, as I literally was saying, even at the very start of this stream when price was very different. Solid close. Looking good above 97,000. We are at 96,940. We were just above 97 minutes ago. We probably will trade back there and forth. There we are. We're back above it. Probably trade back and forth from this level really into the close. Not giving people a definitive, solid signal until the daily actually wraps up. I think it's going up. That wick is like too much to ignore. %, like too much to ignore. I think we close above 97. Here's what I genuinely think. Said it a bunch of times during this stream, but I'll say it again. I think we close 97, and I think we make our way back up to 101. 101.1, around there. We make our way back to like 100. What's up, Vinzan, my guy? I see you subscribing. Sonic Gaming, shout out to you. Shout out Stoyan Verbenov, also subscribed right now. Shout out VR, making this number roll over. It's very important. I cut my hair, by the way. I didn't like do it. I went to the gym. But yeah, it's like fades back. I've messed it up a little bit. I'll fix it though. Let's see. Shout out to Amir. How you doing, bro? Shout out Lil Lindy 66. Shout out Gabriel Sanchez. You're an effing legend. You're an effing legend. Atomic is live. I don't know how to pronounce your name. What's up? Shout out Tommy Penderson. Shout out Azanarian. Shout out Cosmos Susanto. Shout out to Danny. Welcome to Crypto Boys. Get used to this. I'll replay that. Sorry, I missed that super chat. This is crypto. If this is your first run, this is crypto. People tell you the bull market's easy. The bull market is fun. The bull market, no, man. Bull market's scary. It's stressful. More people lose everything in the bull run than the bear market because they chase everything up. In the bear market, all you have to do is nothing. You just sit there. No action. You're good. Bull market, you're always going to feel like you have to be doing something. You always have to be in trade. You're not making enough gains. You saw something else go up. Yours didn't go up enough. You have to take more risk. Nah, dude. In the bull market, just do nothing. You had all the bear market to prepare, to pack your bags, to get ready for this trip, to get your ticket, to get the flight insurance. You had years. You had years. Now is when that pays off. Yeah, people will jump in, but what about me? I wasn't here during the bear market. Yep, fair. The reality is this. If you were not here in the bear, if you just started in the bull, you're going to have a really good time for a while. The odds of you making it out of this in like a serious profit are not great your first run. Certainly it's possible. Not great. Possible. Reality is almost no one gets like rich, like retirement rich. Almost nobody gets there on their first bull market. What happens is you run through it, you make money, you're up, it's good. You end up giving it all back by the end, pretty much. And then what you have gained, though, is obviously you've gained some wealth. But what you've really gained is the knowledge of how to approach this for the next one. You've learned what you've done wrong. You made mistakes. And you say, I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to have a plan. And then when that next cycle comes around, that's when you cash in. The first one is very rare. Very rare to hit it big on your first one. It's not impossible, but like it's not even a good bet. Most people end up just getting pretty wrecked. It comes from greed. Yeah, it comes from the greed. They see other stuff pumping. They think they need to make more gains. They think they're not making enough gains. They use leverage. They start gambling more with higher risk, lower cap things. Leverage is a big one. And they just give it all back. They get wrecked. Usually they buy the top too. Like odds are this isn't you that I'm talking about because we're not like top. Peak top. The people jump in, see some gains, and give it back. It's sad, but it's just apparently the way this works. I don't know. Let's go, Corn. Still feeling weird? Nah, Josh, things are good. I was speculating maybe that's why it was weird. I have a strange connection, like many of you out there, I'm sure, with this market, with this chart. I certainly will find myself like anxious for reasons I can't explain, like before big moves. And just be like, I don't know. I'm just like really anxious today. There's nothing. Price hasn't moved. Nothing's happened. But like, I'll just feel weird. And then, you know, by the time I go to bed, it's like, oh, yep, we're dumping, or oh, yep, we're pumping, like meaningfully. And you're just, I don't know. You kind of get on the same clock, right? Like the same clock as the market. Maybe this is why. Maybe this is it. You know, we didn't look at the 2-day or anything. Let's look at some of these weirder time frames. Just noticing some of these bigger time frames are wrapping up and they're kind of driving home the importance of this level. So on the day, we'll start here. We're almost doing a bottom up analysis. We did a top down from the start. 97K right here. This is the level. Let's close above this bullish fair value gap or order block. Let's hold it. Let's make our way back up to 101. I still think the low's in for this week, by the way. 2-day closes at the same time, relatively the same price, 97, same thing. That shows confluence or importance on both of the day and the 2-day time frames. Let's go to the 3-day. 3 days is a little uglier, but we have a whole day to settle it. So this story might be right. So let's say we get that close above 97, like I think we will. And then we get the move that I think we will, which is back to 100. Watch this. In the next 3 hours, we stay above 97. And then in the next 24 hours, we move back to that 3-day high at 99.9 or just under 100K. And we can close this 3-day green again, despite it looking like it's not going to right now. go to the 4. I haven't looked at these, so I don't know what we're going to see. 4-day closes in 2 hours. Interesting. This is actually a little bit higher for the bullish engulf. We need 97.26, which was one of our, which already was one of our levels. I guess that's the more bullish target, right? I want to see that bullish engulf. Interesting. So we have the day, the 2-day, and the 4-day all wrapping up in 2 hours. 5-day will wrap up with the 3-day in 27 hours. Not a lot there, though. 6 days got plenty of time. I guess we go to the week. Back to the week. Brings us all the way back to this is just today, Monday. This is not a whole week. This was support 97.263, which is where the 4-day is looking. And man, we got plenty of time. I think the intra week low is in. I think these lows are just a series of higher lows. There's probably a trend line there. Wrapping it all back around. We've got boom, boom, boom. All kinds of reasons to close here. 97.2, there we go. The number I was just talking about. The number we needed for the 4-day right there, coming back in. Hold it. 20 daily moving average or the middle Bollinger Band. We rejected from the top. It looks like for now, knocked on wood, we're holding the middle band. Hold the middle band, retest the top of the band. That's at 101 again. Lots of confluence, lots of stuff on the chart showing us this close is good above 97. Even better above 97.2. I think that this could happen quickly, like tomorrow. 97.2. We're at 97.3, so we've actually moved higher. Nope, not quite. This is a weird ass candle. Maybe it's a weird ass gap candle here. 97.3. I think we're moving. I think we're moving back to the highs, but 98.750 possible by today. I don't know. I'm not gonna like put my hopes on it, but get wrecked, bears. V shape, bro. Boom, 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 boom. V shape. V is for victory. Goddamn, we're gonna be live again tomorrow, aren't we? We need dubstep. Yeah, we do. We need dubstep. The music stopped playing, I'm guessing. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. I guess we're just going to keep streaming. I do need to get some water, though. That's the issue. Hold on. I'm going to grab some water. Downstairs. Don't go anywhere. Actually, I'm going to make energy drink. Brought to you by Gamer Subs, which I pay for, but I really do like their products, so whatever. Let's see. Hold up. Hold up. Wait, did I already drink 2 of these today? I don't want to have like 6 scoops. 4 is okay. Like 400 milligrams of caffeine. I want 6 though. Here we are. For those of you that are new, we have the best free trading course on YouTube. It is on this channel in a playlist. It's also linked in the video description and in the live chat. You should check it out after the live. It is the best, like hands down. If you watch one and you're not like, okay, this arguably could be the best, then I'll give you your money back. All of it. I'll double your money. Double your money back. You should check out the links in the video description below. If you sign up with any of these affiliate links or partner links, you'll get into our VIP exclusive VIP access in the Discord. It's free. You should do it. You should do it. There's a lot of exchanges. We have a new exchange partner, BYDFI. They are not, there's no KYC. No KYC. I'd suggest using that one. You'll get into our exclusive private Discord. We've had some fire ass trades today. Holy shit. Look at these. There's so many winners. Really, the only losers today were the scalpy longs here on the way down before any of this happened. These are like the only losers of today. That's wild. Ooh, I got bad news for you. Bitcoin dominance. I got bad news for you, boys. Bitcoin dominance may not be done. It may not actually have topped out yet. Yeah. That looks like an angry dominance, doesn't it? You're hanging out at this trend line. You got to get above, close above, but still, that little bit of drop, man, really put the favor back in Bitcoin's hands for dominance. Monthly candle is green on total. And the monthly candle is green again for Bitcoin. This was not true minutes ago. Back to it being true. Oh, my voice. You guys are out there and you haven't subscribed. Ooh, someone just did, as you'll see right there. If you subscribe while we're live in real time, that number will update, and usually it will pop your name up on the stream and I'll shout you out. Like Arno Valand. What's up, Arno? Arno Valand. What's up, Tom G? Give me them scoops, brah. Love you, brother. 45 months in a row, Tom G. Let's go. Whoa, bunch of people. Bunch of subscribers. 559. Make that number roll over more. Daniel Sanchez, shout out to you for subscribing. Kagadi, shout out to you. Joe Flo, 𝐖𝐢𝐿97. More people rolling in, bringing it in. Bros, we have been live on YouTube almost 6 years. Our reputation is immaculate. I challenge you to test it out. See if anyone has anything bad to say about this channel. We've never scammed anyone. We've never harmed anyone. All we've ever done is tried to help you succeed, the viewer. You found our channel at the right time. We're live here, guaranteed, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We've been going live pretty much every day, though, so you can tune in, usually earlier, about 1 p.m. East. You can tune in, catch those lives. What's up, 𝐖𝐢𝐿74, Doodle Bob, Just Do It, PT. What's up, Morn Jensen? Subscribing while I'm shouting people out. Challenge T. Gim Maras. What's up, brother? AK19. Martin Mayer subscribed. Jackie subscribed. Who will be next? Brenneman, 97. Subscribing right here. You're next. Mark Morganroth subscribing. Ludwig K subscribing. Soul Surfing. Dude, you're just flooding in, boys. Bring it in. Make sure to join the Discord. Discord.gg/TomCrown. It's free. Keep them coming. We're definitely going to be live again tomorrow, just based on this. Based on what we've seen today, we'll be live. What's up? What's up? What's up? Bring it in. Bring it in. We've been live for a while, though, already. My voice is hurting. Trying to push through for you guys. We are now back to 97. This is all we needed. All we've ever wanted. I'm going to get rid of some of these. Let's see, 96. This is the monthly, right? I'm going to make this a little easier to see. You just keep coming. They just keep coming in. Hells to the yeah. I can't believe how many. I guess people are finally paying attention. I mean, we've been streaming constantly. And tell you what, nobody's been here. At least not subscribers like this. Today is the first day, I guess. Either YouTube is pumping our channel or there are new people. Are you guys new? Are you new to crypto? Are you just new to this channel? What's happening? Is the hype back? Low in for the week. 1,600 votes. 60% saying yeah. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let me see. Do this channel. Nope, neither. Here we go. Are you new to crypto? Heart. There you go, a little friendlier. You're new to crypto. You're not new to crypto. You're new to this channel, or you're not new to either. I want your votes. I want to know, where are these people coming from? Malcolm Smith is subscribing. What's up, Malcolm Smith? Good Skills 1. How you doing, brother? Melissa. Anthony Sulfi. Where is everybody's pouring in? Jotan. Should we just go live at 5 p.m. East now? Is that what's happening? We just have to go live later? Great stream. Thank you, Cal Butler. It has been, actually. It's been a fire AF stream. I'm not going to lie. This has been one of the better streams. Getting swifty in here. This is a major signal. New folks equal sell-off, says JS. Well, that's the thing. That's what I want to know. Are they new, or are they just new to this channel? That's very different. It's a very different answer, my friend. Look right here. 17% saying they're new. Here's the one thing to be careful of. There's 277 votes. There's 2,000 people watching. So this is a small sample size of even the people watching. And the thing you have to be careful of here is people who are new are more likely to click this right away versus a lot of other people who maybe are here every day, not paying as much attention, not as eager to vote in the polls. There's a little bit of bias there. Little bit. But I want to see. You're new to crypto. For real? Like new? If you're new, you have really found the right place. I'm the only one on right now, and there's made a massive dump. I know. Everybody's sleepy. Everyone's tired. They can't handle it. They didn't go to the gym today. They're not ready. They don't have the energy to be live. We do. What's up, Tom Mimps? Peter Kovalev, PREAXT Slack, Anthony, Melissa, Silver, AP, Jotun, Jovine, Billy Snow. I almost said Billy Joel. Billy Snow. Eternal G, Dan Bartley, J Violet, Dog. What's up, brother? You know what? I'm going to give away some memberships. What's up? Just so many people. I'm giving away some memberships. Get ready to get gifted some memberships because it's just a day to do it. Just the day to do it. What's up, Rigo? I see your super chat. Do I have any info on non-KYC on and off ramps, not just exchanges? 𝐂𝐸𝐆𝐍. You mean like OTC? Hit me up in Discord for something like that. If you're looking for like OTC, yeah, join the Discord. On and off ramps. The problem with like on and off ramps that are no KYC, I mean, you can't touch a bank with it. You ain't getting money to a bank, no KYC. And you probably aren't sending money from the bank, no KYC. So, yeah. Silver wants to look at XRP. We did look at XRP. We did a lot of XRP today. Looked at it quite a bit. Honestly, I think it's fine. We have been, you go back on these streams, you go back, I don't know how many days now. Probably since the start of December. You go back on these streams, you will find us placing this 199 long or 196 long while it was going up, and people are like, I ain't going to fill. Today on the sell-off, we hit $2. So maybe they were right. It didn't fill. I don't think it's going to fill. I don't think it's filling now. We got close. I don't think it's going to fill. If it does, still a good trade. I don't want to say we called the sell-off because that's not really how these trades work. If you tune in and day out here, we are live regularly. You'll see us build the thesis. You'll see us explain the logic on these trades and why these entries are placed where they are. It's not as effective to explain this after. You've seen it fill. You don't know if that was there, right? You don't know. You don't know who I am. Maybe I'm lying. Maybe I'm LARPing. You can ask people in the chat, but that won't help. My advice would be to like tune in and watch them. This has been here. So it's not that it called the sell-off. It's that this is just the typical behavior in crypto bull runs. That's something I talk about a lot, at least when it's bullish. This is typical behavior. You see these monstrous rallies. You see FOMO kick in, right? There's probably FOMO kicking in up here, like 250, 275. People started buying in that were new. That's almost always the local top. So what do? We don't say, okay, we guarantee it's going down. We don't know that. It could have very easily gone to its all-time high, then come down. But what we can say is you largely ignored a major resistance on the way up. That would be $1.96 for XRP. Oops, that's not it. You largely ignored it, meaning you just ignored it. It was almost as if it wasn't there, okay? This resistance comes from 2021. This was your high in 2021 in the last bull market, $1.96. So easy TA. This isn't advanced. There's no trick to this. It's just you blasted through resistance. You got to pay the piper eventually. The piper was that resistance. It was not tested as support. There we go. I will say, you know, maybe we're off. Maybe it doesn't fill, but I'll say that counts. $2 tested as support. If you see XRP close above like 229 this week, it's in great condition. It's back tested that previous resistance as support, and it can then look to make that move higher with more confidence, with more strength, we'll call it. More strength. Really just with support underneath it versus no support underneath it. XRP is fine. It's fine for now. I think this was honestly a product of just shaking out these people. What's up, Jordan? How you doing, man? What's up, Dan Marks? Bilal Rahal Handy. What's up, man? Nick Futrell. Sergio Jewis subscribe. George Jr. subscribed. Marlon subscribed. Suraj subscribed. Alexander Mimic subscribed. There's a lot of new people here today. It's friggin' awesome. 19% of people out of 500 say they're new to crypto. Ooh, that's spicy. I think we had about 10% last time we did this poll. Like 10%. Now 20%. The bull market's really here. It's actually progressing. It's actually moving forward. It felt like it would never happen. It's actually moving forward. We got new people coming in. Let's go. For those of you new coming into the channel or even this stream, today's spooky sell-off, I believe, is the low for this week. I do not think we're going to go lower this week. No one knows the future. Lots of people pretend to. I'm not one of them. I'm just real. I just share my analysis. I think the sell-off is over for this week. I think that will be confirmed for me in 1 hour, 49 minutes when this daily candle closes above 97,000. It closes below 97,000, like it currently is slightly. I'll have to kind of go back to the drawing board on this idea. But on a close above 97,000, I think we're moving back to 101. And I still believe we are following the same projection, the same prediction that we have been looking for all month. Even as far back into November, we placed this. You can find a tweet. You can find my tweet of this. I forget how long ago I did it. A while ago. On Twitter. At @TomCrownCrypto. Unusual activity. Lots of bots joining the Discord. It's got an unusual bot activity thing on Discord. Be careful, guys. I will never DM you. If this is true and we have 20% new people here to crypto, I'm about to just give you $1 million lesson for free. If this is real, here's $1 million lesson. This is more valuable than knowing if price is going to go up or down today or tomorrow. Ready? If you are new in crypto, I will never DM you. I'll never reach out to you randomly. I know it will happen. You will get accounts reaching out to you that say Tom Crown. They have my name. They have my picture. It's not me. It's scammers. I can go on one step further. And this is the most valuable information you can find in crypto. On any platform. This applies to all platforms. Neither will any other YouTuber or famous person in crypto, even hot girls, just super hot girls. It's just a scam. Anyone who reaches out to you randomly in crypto, especially if they have some unique opportunity for you. Oh, you're going to make a bajillion %. It's so easy. It's a bot. It's an AI algorithm bot. And it'll give you 500% return in a day. Or even scammier, they'll double your money for you. None of that is real. It will absolutely happen to you. Mark my words. If you join my Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown right now, it's free. If you join it, I don't know how long it'll take, but there will be an account with my picture and name that DMs you. They won't be on our server because we ban them, but we can't stop them from DMing you. The same way I can't stop someone on Twitter from making an account with my name and picture and DMing you there. It's going to happen. This is the thing that gets me a little triggered here. Is people scams, that'll never happen to me. It will guaranteed happen to you. If you are new in crypto, if you're one of these, there's 700 votes, 20% of you saying you're new. That's 140 of you just replying to this poll. 140 of you. This is going to happen to you. You're going to get emails probably too. If you sign up for crypto shit, you're going to get emails with fake logins. Do not log in to any site through your email. bookmark the sites you use. Go directly to the bookmarks. Even if you get an email that says urgent, you have to log into Coinbase right now. Don't log in via that email. Just go to coinbase.com, log in, check. These scams are so profitable. They're so profitable. That's why they are so ubiquitous. They're everywhere. It is guaranteed to happen to you. And I'm almost glad we're at the point now, because we've been live on YouTube doing this 6 years. A long time ago, it was kind of like, well, you got to look out for this because it's really common. I'm almost glad there's more of it so I can rant and get loud and be like, I guarantee this will happen to you, because people will take it more seriously then. People didn't really take it seriously. It's like, oh, could happen. Yeah, that won't happen to me. Yes, it will. Scammers, the minute it's public you have crypto, scammers will come after you. It is unfortunately just, there's no way around it now. Elon Musk, Sailor, they're not giving away Bitcoin. Don't send them your Bitcoin. Don't send anyone your coins. They're not giving you anything back. That's the most valuable thing you could have ever heard. If those people are real and you're new, I promise you, it will happen. Don't lose your coins. The worst thing that can happen to you is you lose your coins right into this bull run. Let me see any other like really good things to be aware of. Be aware of anyone who appears to always be right. Anyone who says their calls are perfect. There's no such thing as a 100% win rate. There's no such thing as someone who can guarantee you a trade in any scenario. Be wary of those people. They're grifting you. You're the target. You are the product for the fake gurus. What else? What else could I yell about? Stack Bitcoin. Yeah, I won't get into that one. Stack Bitcoin. We had a lot of really great trades hit today. I think the low's in for the month. I don't want to end this stream because there's so many awesome new people here. Did we check Ethereum? We did. We checked almost everything. There's so many awesome people here, and I want to keep giving you all the value I can, but we have been live for a while. I don't know how much longer I can go. Yeah, actually, look at this. I think someone literally joined the Discord right now with my picture. Like today. I think the mods took care of it. Yeah, mods took care of it. Good job, mods. Be careful. Crypto can change your life, man. Crypto changed my life. That's why I'm here. Bitcoin changed my life. I grew up very poor. Never saw the way out of that poverty. Worked, went to college, did everything I was supposed to do. Didn't do shit. I mean, I could eat, but didn't do shit. I was never escaping that cycle. Found Bitcoin about 8 years ago, started stacking it. I'm not the richest person in the room right now even. But my friends think I'm rich. I went from being poor as fuck growing up to my friends think I'm rich. They're wrong, but crypto can do that. But there are a lot of ways to fail. People ignore the riskiness of it. They think, oh, it's fine. It doesn't matter. You got to do it right. There are so many ways to lose here. In fact, more people lose than win. Don't be one of those people. There is a very simple formula you can follow to be successful in this space. It is not get rich quick. It's not the easiest. It's not the sexiest thing, but there is a time proven formula. And if you follow this channel, if you consume the live, you take the value that I can give you, you can be a successful case. You can be one of those people. You won't like the answer. The answer is slower. It's not as sexy or fun as you want it to be. But there is. And virtually every other way is just lottery tickets, which is fine. A lot of people come here to gamble. To each their own. You feel sexy. That's good, said Jackie. A lot of people come here to gamble, and that's fine. But a lot of people come here because they saw what I saw. They saw that the world right now is not set up to let you succeed. It is not set up to let you break the poverty cycle. Bitcoin is that once in a lifetime chance to get free. It really is. I can say this only because that's how it's my life, man. I've watched it firsthand. You got to do it right. You got to do it slow. You can't just jump in. You got to do it right. I would love to help you with that. I'm glad you found our channel today. Who knows? Who knows? You may never have. You may have joined some other stream, gotten some really bad advice. Maybe you're watching a scammer. A lot of the YouTubers on, a lot of the streamers, a lot of the content creators on YouTube for crypto are scammers. They're scammers by different names. I won't call them out individually. It's not important. But what I will say is a scammer is just someone where you are the product. They are being paid to tell you to buy coins. They're being paid to tell you to like buy rug pull scams. They're getting paid big bucks. I get those offers. I just turn them down. Those are not good ways to start, and they are not successful ways to start. Those are kind of the traps that, you know, if you're lucky, you get to start over after getting wrecked by them. Not a lot of people get to, though. I'm glad you found us. We are going to be live again tomorrow. We are live like every single day. We have a ton of great educational content for you. Everything's free. For now, everything's free on our channel. The trading course, which I could probably sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars, is totally free. Why? Because I don't know, I'm bad at business. Here you go. Because I could have been a better businessman. For now, everything's free. Check them out. These are amazing videos. We publish a new one like every 2 weeks. Some of them might be a little advanced for you. That's okay. We're coming out with something beginner friendly very, very soon, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I think I have to call it. I have to call the stream. What's up, Michi, Factoria, Fata, Woo, Little Black Bean, Deandra, MD, Gojo. I love Jujutsu Kaisen. Astral, B Pizzo, Matt Madrid. Dude, there's so many subscribers, hundreds, if not 1,000 subscribers today on this live. Fuck yeah, fam. We're gonna be live again soon. I hope you tune in. Make sure you have your notifications on for this channel enabled and stream in the Discord. We're going to make it, fam. One step at a time, we're going to make it. I'm going to help you. That is my promise. I will see you tomorrow.